no, it's not bank holiday. It's a pound bank holiday, yeah, but not USD. So who trades GJ anyways, you know? Let me just play some music. So loud. All right, chat. Today is a fresh month. Today is May 1st, or wait, what? May 2nd. Oh, yes, this is May 1st. Yeah, today's May 2nd. Basically, yeah, first official training day of the new month. So welcome back. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We're gonna be getting into what do you got going on today? You have, oh yeah, you have USD ISM. Okay, yeah, you have ISM manufacturing PMI. Damn, that call was very accurate last night. Cause like we sent the signal right for the sales. It was sales at the 4 kind of yesterday, right? For 70 pips. And then I mentioned how it was the move. There was gonna be a move prior to ISM. I think I mentioned that in the, if I'm not wrong, I think I mentioned it in signals chat. Where is it? Yeah, here. I was like 810, right? So that was the 4 kind of entry, and then using a weekly target, and then I believe we should get a push down before ISM tomorrow. That was sent at 8:11 p.m. yesterday, and then obviously the signal was sent, and then boom, we pushed like since then. I think roughly like 130 pips since that trade was called. So that's good. That's very good. We should get continuation. What else? Yeah, is that it? I feel I'm missing something. That's it, right? Yeah. So you have ISM today, and you have construction spending, and then you have ISM manufacturing prices, and then you have loan officer survey. But then today, chat, is a yen holiday. Sorry, not a pound holiday. Or sorry, no, it is a pound holiday. Pound and yen holiday. Yeah, there we go. So pound and yen holiday. Therefore, you know, in GJ, just kind of chalk it. You know, nothing much we're doing here in GJ anyways. I guess today's focus is just gonna be gold then. All right. Let me just go and update the, what is this called? The focus real quick. 8:30 a.m. Eastern. No, 10 a.m. Eastern. We may be here, we might be not here. Most likely we will be here for ISM, but let's see. Depends how things goes, right? 8 a.m. Eastern. And then yeah. All right, so let's go and delete this, delete that. Send my Zoom link real quick. Are in positions? No, sir. No, sir. No positions for me. Let me just send the Zoom link. Yeah, how's your weekend, chat? It's good to be back. All right, so the Zoom link has been sent. That's done. How many people we got in here right now? We got 500. Cool. All right, so let's take a look at what we got going on today. So I'm not sure who was here yesterday, who watched my video analysis that we sent in the Discord, basically in the free Discord channel. I did my weekly breakdown and my monthly breakdown. Obviously, I call this month on Golden GJ an algo month, algo week, algo day. And I mean, we're on pace to be an algo day. Pretty cool. But yeah, if you guys didn't watch this, go ahead and watch it. It pretty much broke down on gold sellers for you guys, and GJ buys potentially coming later this week. All right. But yeah, let's take a look at gold for the day. Obviously you have the, let me just redo it on here in case you guys missed it. So right now you have basically the monthly candle, which just opened up a day ago basically. And if you guys take a close look at how we closed, right, the last month's candle, look how we closed. You closed back into the range here, right? So you closed below the support, back into this range here. I believe there's a high chance this month's candle will likely drive down towards the next support, coming down towards these levels down here. Looking left, that's all clean traffic. So after creating a top wick, price should come down pretty nicely for the month, coming down towards like potentially like 1840. If that happens to break, then you're looking at like 1800. So that's roughly what you're kind of looking for. Looking left, like this is also clean traffic that we're kind of pushing into. Looking left, price should be able to mirror this candle for the month. So by the end of the month, we should be able to tap like 1800, 1820 levels, potentially even like 1760 levels this month, right? So that's what we're kind of expecting the monthly candle to do. It's gonna be a pretty nice month. It's also the second month of quarter two, so things should pick up in quarter two. As you can see, the first week of April, second week of April, third week of April have been pretty chopped, and then fourth week of April picked up, and we should get a continuation of that during May. So May should be pretty nice. Just be patient. Only the second day of May here. Don't rush into any setups, but for the most part, we should be picking up over next this week or next couple days or so, even today potentially. With ISM coming out later at 10 a.m. So let's get into the weekly candle. The weekly candle here, same thing. The weekly candle here, you kind of have this like resistance over here, right? And price closed below it. Now, some of you guys will probably looking left like, yo, like you didn't close below support, which is true, but you guys can say you closed below this support, looking left there. So now like you can say, okay, we're closing below here. There's a minor support here, but with the day being bearish and weekly being bearish and monthly being bearish, at any given point we can still rip down. So my target for the week is roughly going to be like around these levels down here. I want to say like 1840 or even like 1863 levels. Are you looking left, price to fill that wick and potentially drop down towards 1859ish levels, 1860s, right? So that's where we're kind of expecting for the week. The daily candle here today, we were initially bearish today with the fact that you closed respecting this resistance here. So price basically there's a resistance formed over here, right? That was formed. Price create support down here. This is a range that you're kind of in for the last couple of days. And then obviously now that we're potentially breaking below, if you do happen to close below today in about 10 hours, then tomorrow's candle, right, tomorrow's daily candle should come down pretty nicely towards the next support. So it comes down to how we close today. You have obviously 10 hours left in the daily candle, but in 10 hours here, if you happen to close below support, there's a very high chance price will drive down, most likely towards the next support, and that next support is gonna be roughly down here at like 1850, 1860s, right? So that would match perfectly with what I just mentioned earlier, right? That would match perfectly with the weekly time frame. So that should be very interesting. Those two things should align pretty nicely, very neatly. So we're expecting that to happen. Or even today, we might even drop down to without closing below. We might drop down towards like 1869, 1868 levels, right? 1870-ish levels. So that's what we're kind of expecting. The 4 candle closed bearish as well. You close, you can say like right at support. I really wanted this candle to close below support because then it would have been a very algo 4-hour candle. You probably would have popped down towards the next support like this if you were to close below, but for the most part we close respecting it, which is interesting. Let's see what happens in this 4-hour candle. But again, there probably won't be any positions just yet. I do see that there was no top candle hourly candle, which is what we're creating right now, and there's also no top candle 30-minute candle. So that's what price is going to be creating here, which is good. You can say sells for me today would probably be a price or a break below 1877. If we're able to break below 1877, you can probably be able to pop down towards the next support down at 1873. That's a 4-pip range, I believe, going down. And that should be very interesting. So yeah, sells to me would probably be below here, chat. If price is able to close below like 1877, I'll be probably looking for sells coming down towards next support, which is gonna be down here at like 1873. Those would be my sells, and obviously there's no buys for me until you get a range 2 breakout, and that'll probably be above like 1788. Buys for me would be above here somewhere probably. But until then, there's no buys for me anywhere. All right, so sells below here, and I mean, even below 1873, you have clean traffic, I believe, until, let's see what you got going on below here. So you have a support right here on hourly candle. If you close below there, you can probably drop down towards here 1868 levels. That's perfect. So you have a lot of range today. You have that 4-pip range going down below 1877, and then you also have another range going down below 1873, and that's roughly another like 50-pip range going down. So you have a range of 30 pips plus 50 pips. That's roughly 80 pips in this area going down here. So that's probably what I'm gonna be looking for today. It should be a clean day. What happened? It should be a pretty clean day for gold. And GJ, I mean, is it even worth me like breaking it down? I mean, I guess I'll break it down, but I mean, there won't be any trades today probably. The monthly for GJ is, it's the first time we're officially closing above the range here, so you guys know what that means. Looking left there, you have all these rejections to the left. So you have rejections here, you have rejections here, you have rejections here, right? So all those rejections there, like about 8 rejections, and this is the first time we have a bullish candle closure above the range, so that indicates that we're now breaking above the range here. Looking left there, you close above the most recent resistance, right? So with us closing above the range here, there's a very high chance that this month's candle will be an algo month. Looking left there, you have clean traffic towards next monthly resistance at 174. Now that's a pretty aggressive target for GJ, obviously, for the month. Aggressive targets in terms of this, that's a big range, and in order for price to drive up that much, we're gonna need some type of catalyst, because price can just drive up that much based off of technical analysis. We need some type of catalyst. So I wouldn't be surprised if sometime this month, you know, maybe mid-month, next week, this week, who knows, but we get some random catalyst that just drives price up. All right, so be aware of that, because usually fundamentals usually what match with technicals. So I wouldn't be surprised if over the next couple of weeks you get some type of catalyst that drives price up towards like 174. Looking left here, this is all clean traffic to the left hand side to drive price up over here, right? So this is all clean traffic. Got closure above. The range going up is about roughly like 1,000 pips, I believe. For the monthly candle, right? That's a monthly candle, so that's what we're kind of expecting. This month's candle should pop up very nicely, like so. Fill that wick and then tap that target after creating a bottom wick. All right, so that's what we're kind of expecting here today. I will be looking for buys, or sorry, for this month. I will be looking for buys for the month. However, the weekly time frame, I'm bearish. All right, so the weekly record, yes, the trades have all been on streams, gamer tagger, all on streams. I'll show you in a bit after I do my analysis real quick. But yeah, the weekly time frame here, chat, is looking like we are bearish here. If you look left on a weekly time frame, you have some type of resistance over here at 163, and obviously with the weekly time frame closing, I believe we close, if I'm not wrong, below the range. So we close below the range on a weekly. Prices create a decent top wick, tapping that weekly resistance. So this week's candle, I would expect it to drive down to kind of create that support for us. And as it's driving down, remember, keep in mind the monthly is bearish. It could potentially be creating a monthly low, right? So you're looking left there. This is all clean traffic. As you're breaking below this range here, back into the range, your next support is down here. That's where you kind of expect the price to mirror this week's candle to do. So as the weekly candle is doing that, it'll be the monthly candle creating a lower wick, right? Because keep in mind, the monthly low is like down here. So as long as you respect that low is valid, and you can be coming down towards like 160, 605, 161 levels, whatever it is, right? But the monthly's got to create a bottom wick, and that could potentially be a level being created off the weekly time frame. So keep that in mind. That's what we're kind of expecting. I think the daily is bullish, however, but you close respecting this resistance here. So it's in a very choppy area. It's at an indecisive area right now. I'll say price doesn't know what it wants to do yet. It can either reject this resistance or it can either push up. Now there's no confirmation of what price is going to do. There's no confirmation just yet, but I believe once you get a bearish candle closure respecting resistance, or you too get a bullish candle closure above the resistance, price should be able to drive up. But obviously a day candle like this tomorrow or today would be pretty sweet for tomorrow's candle to drive down. or obviously a bullish candle closure above the range would be sweet for price to drive up. But right now you can say there's no clear direction in price on GJ, unless you look at the higher time frame. So the monthly and weekly kind of tells you the higher time frame, the bigger picture, and weekly is what's going to be driving price down long term. All right, so I guess you can see we're bullish from the daily based on the fact that we did close bullish. However, it's not really a clean direction in price. But in other words, buys for me would probably be above let's see, how big is this range going up above this area? 87 pips. Yeah, so buys probably above here, I would say. Above this resistance is not bad, and you can get buys above here as well. The reason why I was kind of hesitating on buys above here, because I'm not sure how big this range is. I think it's roughly around 30 pips or 25 pips. It's not bad, I guess you can say. It's not the cleanest range in terms of range, pip wise. It's only 25 pips, but above 164, 142 should be a lot cleaner. Above here you have buys above like 164, 142, but obviously there's no buys for me today or no sells for me today. I probably won't be trading GJ as it's a bank holiday for pound and the yen. And then obviously sells range to GJ. All right, so I guess I can just put buys above here for now. Just have it there, just to have it there. Buys above here and sells below here, range to breakout. All right, chat, that's it. I'm gonna be trading gold today, obviously, right? Again, so gonna be a clean day for gold. Let's see what it do. But yeah, pretty chill day now. Pretty good start to the week though, chat. Pretty good start to the week, to the month, I'll say, you know. Can I delete on this? Oh, I can't delete on this. 70 pips. Not bad, you know. Not bad. But yeah, going back to whoever asked that question about trades being taken on stream. Yeah, so those trades, that record at the bottom are all the trades we take on stream. Only on stream, not outside the stream, not during Asian, not during London. Legit record. With every trade recorded on a spreadsheet here. So these are the year stats, you know, it matches that record, right? 4799, I believe. 981 pips, 83% win rate. It shows stats for each specific trade taken on what time frame, how many trades were taken, type of trade, breakout, fake out, entry, whatever it was, percentages of that as well, time frame, and entries within that time frame. These are stats for January. So obviously January was pretty slow, 8 pips for January. February was roughly 148 pips, 92 and 2. March was 22, 2 and 1. So 2 losses, 22 wins, 1 break even, 530 pips, 91.7 for March. And then April has been our worst month in terms of losses. We took 3 losses in March or in April. 11, 3 and 3. Still positive for the month. 292 pips, 78% win rate. My lowest so far for the year, but hey, it's just how it is. But yeah, I mean, overall for the year, it's a pretty good year so far for the most part. Pretty good. Why is it chat? Change the month to the bottom. Oh yeah, I got you. I gotta change the record too. Monthly record. I hate doing the record again. All right, so month is gonna be May. We're on to May, chat. We're leaving April behind. We're on to May. May monthly record is 0, 0, and 0. You think it may be an auger month? What do you think about June? Man, you're focused on the wrong things, man. Just look at the current month. Why gotta guess the next month? You have no information for next month just yet. You have no information. You have information for the current month, yeah, off the weekly, daily, and monthly. But next month's candle, you don't know how this month's gonna close. So how you gonna predict next month's candle? You're doing too much, right? Doing too much. Hmm. Shit, wrong browser's open up. So I was looking at some RP stream. Oh, it's not working? What do you mean? I was frozen. Bruh. Oh, you guys got faked out? Come on. I get faked out in 2020. The man, the myth, the legend. Mark Ghost.
GM.
Coffee again?
It's brewing.
Yo, is it raining in New York? I can tell by your background.
Yeah, man. I just walked through it. It's terrible.
You know, I can tell, chat. I analyzed his background. It's looking a little dark. I mean, there's no sun out.
Yeah. I'm all wet right now, to be honest. Might change midstream.
Pause.
Oh, brother.
This guy, Marcos. Yes, I think it's raining in Toronto too, if I'm not wrong. It'll be rain today. Foggy, it says.
I was down. My gym has like a underground because it's like 2 stories, and I didn't even hear it, but my girlfriend texted me and she said it was like the loudest lightning she's ever heard, straight up. But I was listening to some J. Cole. I didn't hear it.
And it's gonna rain until 11. Actually. Yeah, it's raining. Yeah, it's gonna rain till like 11 and 1, so good. Ooh, 1 hour no top wick. This is good, chat. 1 hour close there, bearish, bullish, respecting this resistance. This is good. If we can get a 1 hour closure now for ADM, perfect. ADM took a nice sell coming down to retest the lows. Same trade took during Asian session. So if you get a closure like this, right, respecting resistance, a bearish channel closure, ideally, preferably below these wicks here, that'd be perfect. You can get a nice sell coming down to the next ADM candle like this. So ADM should be like this. This is your 70 AM candle over here, and this is your 80 AM candle. So if you close like this at 8, perfect. We'll be in.
Our runners will still be alive, huh?
Yeah. I use a weekly, I use a weekly target too, and I mean, just broke through the whole thing.
Yeah, no. Got it. I should have held. We both should have held. But it's alright. We live and we learn. Good trade. 25. You closed full at 25, right? Or no, you closed full at 12.
12.
Shout out to Signals. They always outperform us. You know why? Because the Signals, they don't overthink. They just wait for the signal.
Well, like, I was in a hold too, but I was like, you know what? Like, okay, let's say his TP. I'm okay with, taking my first trade here and just like first trade of the month here and just calling it a trade, just calling it as it is. Have a clean, nice, perfect 10 closure, and the rest is whatever. It was like my 5th trade in the month, and I would just left it, but just start off right,
Yeah.
Why'd you close?
I closed because you closed.
You closed before me.
No, I closed after you. No, I closed. The reason I actually closed is because it was rejecting. So you could see, actually you can't see, but it was rejecting after like 35 pips. And I was thinking about it because I go to bed early. I was like, do I really want to hold this in my sleep, or could I catch 25, 30 pips right now? So I caught the 25. Fresh haircut? Yeah, I got a haircut last week. Something light. Parents were in town.
You've been growing your top out.
I know. It's not curled up right now. It's all messed up from the sleep. But I just got everything wet. Rip. Pause.
I need a haircut. I want to get a haircut today, but I need to sleep, so. I got a playoff game today. My first playoff game ever. Fuck yeah. It's gonna be lit. Can you explain the trade that we took during Asian? Yeah, I got you. So basically the trade we took during the Asian session was based off of the 4-hour time frame. I'm pretty sure you guys know where that was. It was basically right here. I think the entry was sell stops at 1896,198. So it was yeah, 198, 189, or sorry, 186. Where was it? 1896. Oh, 96. It was up here. Ah, it was all the way up here. 1896.198. So yeah, it was here. It was the current candle stop, so it was like 4 pip stop, and then TP was down for like 70 pips, I believe. It was somewhere roughly around here. And the reason behind it was at the time the daily was obviously bullish. It wasn't breaking the lows yet, but the weekly was what the trade was taking off of. The forward and the weekly, there's a resistance here. Yeah, obviously closed below. We create a nice top wick. And then obviously on the flip of the weekly, and aka the 4-hour flip, we took a sell. And then looking left, I think I used the weekly target. I think I used the target which was down here. This is my weekly target. I put that as my TP, roughly around there, right? Was it 18? Yeah, 1889 level. So roughly around there was my target. And then that was the trade. There was this 1-hour candle here, just came straight down, came all the way down here, and then tapped TP and just rejected. And it was like a perfect TP basically. And that was a nice trade for Asian. I think it was like a 2 minute, 3 minute. No, sorry. Yeah, it was a buy stop. It took like quite some time to activate. I think it took roughly like 15 minutes to activate, and then once it activated, it just went through like within a minute or two. Just went like 20% profit off the rip, and that was the trade. Yeah, it's pretty textbook trade. Pretty simple trade. I wish it was on stream, but I mean, hey, it was at least it was a signal. This is good, man. Look at gold. Nice 1-hour closure. Or maybe we might get a 30-minute candle closure. Preferably the 1-hour closure. I'll most likely wait for the 1 hour, and then we should be good. Should be good. Damn. Yeah, we haven't lost. We've never lost the first trade of the month. Actually, yeah, we never lost the first trade of the month yet, have we? January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, we never lost the first trade of the month yet. It's cool.
So statistically, we have to lose the first trade of the month now.
it's gonna come.
A lot of averages.
Knock on wood. I don't believe in knocking on wood or janks. You believe in that stuff? I never believe in it. It's just I don't know.
I just think it's a fun saying. I don't believe in it.
Yeah, it's a fun saying. Some people believe in it. Like, yo, Don, like, why you say that for? Like, man, it's not gonna change shit.
Ruined everything.
Yo, I'm in drawdown here, Don. Like, say something better than that. One vote. What's your bias on gold? I did a morning breakdown already, so go back and watch it. It's bearish, but I want you to know more than that. So go back and watch it. See how I got that bias, right? Because then you're gonna ask me, yo, Don, how'd you find the bias? All right, so go back and watch the beginning of the stream.
Exclamation point late.
Yeah, you're late, chat. You're late. Be here at 6:30. You know. You gotta be here before I'm here. Do you believe in karma? No. No, it's just things happen. Things happen. That's how I see it. It's like saying, "Oh, I took a loss on gold. I deserve some good. I deserve a win next." Nah, man. Whatever happens, happens. It's based off what you know. Like, it's kind of based off your actions, though. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of. Next thing you know, tonight something happens. Knock on wood. I don't know. I don't really believe in any of that stuff. Things just happen, man. This is how things are. It just happens. It's just life. Because what you live your whole life thinking, oh my, I gotta do this. I gotta do this to do this. I gotta do that to do that. You know, like I gotta tie my shoes 5 times before I get good luck. You know, or like mojos and stuff like that. You know, in high school though, yeah, high school I had mojos. Like I had crazy mojos. Like I had to walk to school a certain way. I had to enter through a certain door. I had to, you know, leave school through a certain door. Yo, tier 2. Kieran, what up? Thank you. Do you believe in ghosts? Yeah.
Do you actually?
Yeah, the RR monsters. Nah, I don't. I don't know. Imagine in 10 years I'm that spiritual person.
It's GJ Weekly just flipped bearish. It's kind of choppy though, all the way down.
Oh, it's pound yen holiday. Both currencies, so just close the charts for that. Yeah, I'm not even looking at that today.
Oh jeez. I'm gonna exit out.
Chad, do you guys believe in that stuff? What do you guys believe in? Yeah, you guys ever play a Ouija board?
Yeah, when I was a kid, I was the guy who moved it for you. Scared the shit out of you.
Oh, you feel that?
I'm that kid.
I believe in aliens. Money. Cool.
Aliens. Aliens aren't real. I think we're the aliens. I believe in science. Who knows what that movie is?
I believe in science.
Anyone know that movie? I believe in science. 5 coffee gang points if you get that right. If you get the movie, first one. Hey, Chris B. W. That was my favorite movie as a kid.
What movie?
Nacho Libre. I believe in science.
Bill Nye, Science Guy. Dude, you ever watch that?
What is it? Bill Nye? Yeah. Bill.
I thought it was a Canadian thing when I was in school. Alright, well, this is drawn at what? 7:02. Put this in the.
Science, bitch. What up, Wickstein?
Wickstein is early today.
Did you
Damn.
eat breakfast? I feel like I can't eat at 7 a.m. So early. But you're gaining. That's different, actually. Since I'm not gaining, it'd be easier if I was gaining because I could eat all day. I eat at 7.
That's
So I'm gonna
Science
have 5
Guy.
meals.
Man, I really want a 30-minute closure, but the 1 hour closure ain't bad as well. How do you feel? Man, I really want the 1 hour closure. Man, you have a lot of range to go down, like, you know, worst case, we drive down like mean, you have like 50 pips in this range here. As long as there's 20 pips remaining, by the end of the 1 hour closure, be good.
It's top it.
Yeah. I hope no one took buys here. Jeez.
Nice little fake out.
Yeah. Or yeah, I fake out on what time frame? Oh, 30? Yeah, I guess 30.
Yeah, it just depends where your resistance is. I mean, there's no top wick either.
I want the, this is not bad if it closes below here. But I think the 1 hour 30 here minimum for me.
You have daily target at 1850.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
Question: why not take the sell on the 4 hour breakout lows instead of the 4 hour flip in the Asian trade? The Asian trade was the 4 hour breakout lows. It's because the breakout lows was right next to the flip. If it's like right next to the flip, then you might as well do the breakout lows, right? But you can't just take a trade now on 4 hour time because it's flipped. It's different now. It's different from flipping versus breakout lows. You already made a low. So for us to get more volume, you gotta re-break that low, right? Because you already established a low. The trade during Asian, it was a re-breakout lows because the low was like right next to the breakout lows. It was right here, right? It was this is the low at the time was right here, and this is the flip. It was like a 5 pip difference. It's like we might as well just put that as the sell stop, right? It depends on the trade. Not every trade is the same. Not every trade is gonna be the exact same scenario. ID. Wow, the whole 1 hour just drove. And we can pull back here. We have like 4 minutes. That's a long time, man. The way it's pulling, it's a long time. How about 4 break the lows? No, that's too wide. You can't even do that. Right, wait for 30 closure. Yeah, chat. How's London for you guys? Yeah, I like our Discord because no one's sending like profits. You know, like you join a lot of Discords out there, chat. A lot of FOREX Discords or like Telegrams and group chats in general. They're usually saying a lot of profits. Like I see the profits charts of arrows, right? And our chats don't like that usually. Our chats is like straight up just we're talking about specific things, and that's kind of cool. We try to avoid like, you know, like if there's people like just setting profits and stuff, and you should just time them out and stuff, because like, yo, you came here with no analysis. You're freaking your member rows chalked. You know, if you're a chalked member, like if it's your first time in the Discord and you're saying profits, it's like, yo, like you're here to promote your shit. At least be, you know, like runner, no, or what's the next one?
Onion.
Yeah, at least be an onion or something.
It's funny how you can tell. You can see like they're chalked, and their first message is just a screenshot of their.
Yeah, like nobody cares, bro. Like go on a different Discord and do that. You know, no offense, but it's just like everyone's here to learn. No one like probably doesn't do anything to us, man. Doesn't help us in any way, shape, or form. You see me saying profits every day? No. I look at gold on, I see it. I know what I'm waiting for though. I'm waiting for the 1 hour closure. So I know from here I'm not gonna be doing anything. It's just if it drives, it drives, but I know I'm waiting for the 1 hour closure, right? We drew it out earlier and now we're just waiting for it to form. And then once it forms, we're in. Right? That's what trading is. I'm not just gonna impulsively enter a trade now though, right? Just because I feel like it, right? The plan's done. That's the plan. stick to it. That's it. No in between. There's no nah, right? No, when they send profits and they say I told you so, it's like, man, like, like what do you want to do?
Nice.
Hey, let's go. 10 pips, nice, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, I mean, like, you had the pre-push before ISM, which was like Asian to London, and London obviously kind of pulled back because you got pulled back somehow in gold, and then New York should continue price down, and ISM should continue further down because they're expecting good numbers to an ISM too, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if like we push down towards like 1873 by ISM, like 1873, 1870 levels, and then ISM pushes price further down towards like, I don't know, 1865, 186, whatever, right? So you have levels today which can potentially be tapped. You also have a lot of clean traffic beforehand. Shots for stream. I got you. Support area rejections previously, correct. Yeah, but I'm not looking for buys. Like, even if it does drive up, I'm not looking for buys until you break above like these levels up here. Or sorry, these levels up here. Above here, yeah, sure. But I don't know. It's the day's still bearish, the 4 is still bearish, everything's kind of still bearish. I'll need a range to break out for buys. So if it does drive up, I'll miss out on the range. I can care less about it. But this range above what is this? What level was this again? 1892, sure. Above there, going up towards like 18 and 1900 would be my buys. This range would be my buys. Oops. This range over here, right? But anything below here, no. I want us to break the 1 hour lows though. If we can break the 1 hour lows, that'd be great. Perfect. My man drawing ice cream. I don't blame them. Trading view, you know, I can't draw a lot on that. Thoughts on sells? Pretty good sells. Got a closure below range. Yeah, pretty nice sells. Not much I can say on this. Pretty good position for the most part. Nice work, man. Why not sells below here? Below where? What time frame is this? 30? Because I think on 30 there's this right here, right? But then there's also this. It's like, okay, if you take a sell here, there's a support right here, so it's like that's like a 5 pip difference. It's like, would you rather just wait for the whole range to completely break, right? Would you rather wait for a closure below and then take sells? If you take a sell here, you got to worry about this support. Whereas if you can sell below here, you don't got to worry about any support. There's a next minor support down here, but that's like 10% profit by then, right? That's why I have that level instead of the level a little higher. Unless like the alley counter closes, the alley counter closes below here, then we're good. Below 1879, you know. This new chat on screen has 4 or 5 message delay to show on screen. Yeah, it does, but I mean, it doesn't matter, right? I'm reading out the questions. Yeah, maybe I can change it actually. Does it matter? I don't think it matters that much. Stream elements. Let's see. Maybe I can change the delay or whatever. Overlays. YouTube chat. No delay. I don't know. I put no delay, but there's definitely delay. You want the old chat? What do you guys want? This chat or the old chat? I like this chat because it separates everyone's name. It's weird. It's like Twitch's chat. Yeah. YouTube sucks, man. The reason why I don't like YouTube's chat, the old chat, was because it's one color. And it's one color. That's about it. This is one color. I mean, we can put it back on. I don't really care. It's up to you guys. Let's do a poll. Yo, can Moz run a poll or no? Does that work? Can you create a poll, Marcos?
No.
Oh.
No. Only on Twitch.
Moz doesn't do anything on Twitch. They can change the title of the stream. They can do anything. YouTube? Nah. Old or new chat? Old, new.
I think I voted the wrong one. Rip. I meant to vote new.
A new in the lead here.
Someone said taste the rainbow.
I mean, that's if you guys watching in full screen mode, right? If you guys watching like half screen, like a normal screen, then you guys can see chat on the left side or at the bottom of the phone. Yeah, I think I know who that guy is. He's a streamer right, on Twitch. I'm pretty sure I know who he is. Yeah, I know him. Yeah, it's that like side of Twitch. It's that other side of Twitch. You know who that is, Marcos? I don't know how you say his name. I think it's NMPOL or NMPLOL. NMPLOL. He's like on that side of Twitch, like the XQC side of Twitch. Yeah, I don't know. I can't watch this at Twitch for too long. I start to just lose my shit. You start a breakdown while we wait. Well, I'm not sure how long that'll last. A breakdown while we wait will last 5 minutes probably. Less. Nah, I did that already, Paul. I did that, but like I do it here. Look, I'll do it, and then guess what? A new message will pop up, and it'll change like the measurements again. It's weird. I don't know. This thing is so weird. I changed it a bunch of times. Like, see, next one's blocked now. So it's like, okay, well if I do this one too, let's see how next one goes. Let's see. Now the whole thing's blocked. So weird. I don't know. I might go back to the old one. You gonna roll out of summer? Nah. I was thinking about, I'm like, oh shit, rolling out in Toronto. But I don't know. There's no Cardi. I don't care. I'd rather fly to a different fly to like America and see Cardi. I can care less about the rest. There's no Drake, no Cardi. I don't know. Like Playboy Cardi. No who else is in there? I don't know. I mean Dave is open as a thing, but it's future. Uzi, I guess. A Boogie, Richard Merd, Roy Woods. DG. UV. Triple Red, Roddy Rich, Skepta, Slumka. It's alright. Presto Loyati. Blanty Fox. Casey. BACKKK, Jazz Cartier. Nav, Migos, WizKid, Day Feature, Belly, Zolteca, TJ, Fabio, Gun Blue, K Camp, Killy. I don't know. Romance. I don't know. It's Riddles too. Shit. I want to see Playboy Cardi, bro. I had tickets to Cardi this year, and he canceled on us. And I don't know if he's ever gonna come back to Toronto. I'd rather go to roll out Miami. That's kind of fire. But I probably won't go. I got too much shit. We're going to I got Dominican in June. I think Chad, June 5th. I'm going to Dominican. For like 2 weeks, I think. A week or two, I think. And then when I come back, or no, not when I come back, a couple months after. So August 5th. Guess what's happening, chat? The first official DVS link up. Me, Marcos, Tyler Biggs, Tyler M, potentially Wix9. We're gonna go to Vancouver, shoot a fuck ton of content, a shit ton of content for DVS, and fire. So if we're going, I think between, is it August? Yeah, it's August, right? August 4th, that Thursday. I think we're gonna go after the stream, and then August 4th until like August 7 or 8, something like that. We'll come back. Be fire. Vancouver meetup. I mean, if people, yeah, a little meetup. I'm not sure how big our audience is in Vancouver, but it'll be cool. But a lot of content. We got
all 5 Vancouver viewers.
Yeah, it's pretty fire. That's 5 people, right? Yo, we're gonna come to Vancouver. Yo, it's fucking cold here. Chat, we'll go to other places too. We'll go to other places, like I got Vancouver. Like obviously we'll be in New York a lot. I don't know. It'll be the first meetup, first link up, and I think at that point I don't want to say merch. DVS clothing brand will probably drop by then. And yeah, we're gonna be working on all that. So and we'll be in New York, UK probably too. Like we'll be around, like DVS. We'll do a lot of trips. I think for every in-person course I'm gonna have these guys around probably if I can. Montreal. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Oh, I just figured something out. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Fuck. Never mind. Never mind. I thought I could fix chat, but I can't. Don't fake your record, chat. Too much work. I'll do it after red place. I ain't got time, you know. I'm waiting for a closure below the range. I'm just a 22-year-old waiting for a closure below the range. Exactly. Exactly, Nightbot. Oh, is that a slingshot? Nah, it's my phone stand. It's, this shit over here. It's so heavy. I bought this phone stand to like for TikTok, and it's so heavy. It takes some hard, it takes some next type of phone stand. But yeah, I was playing around with it. I have no use of it anymore, or right now at least. You ever traded futures? No, I never traded futures before. Unfortunately. After how many months or years became profitable? Oh wow, I got 30-minute onion. Nice. Bigger stops there. 28 pips, not bad. 28 for like 57, 59, not bad. Pretty cool. Yeah, I was waiting for. I was looking at the 30. I'm like, I'd rather have a 1 hour closure. That's all I kind of wanted. Yeah, I'm at how many years, months? I went full time in October 2019. I started trading in 2018. Were you always confident trading alone, or was there times where you're uncertain about trading and talked to others to get more confident? You mean right now? You mean, or do you mean in general, as trading in general, was I confident? Or do you mean like in a certain trade, like right now, or like yesterday, or this week, or whatever, right? Like, what do you mean? Yeah, what's the poll saying? Who won? I gotta change it. Everyone's saying new. Chat, majority wins. I mean, 300 votes. Okay, we'll get to like 400 votes. Let's see who wins by 400 votes, all right? But majority says new, chat, right now. 52%. Come on, guys. Who caught GJ Bottom's 5 minute? Congratulations. The 5-minute candle here. Nice. 12 pips on a bank holiday. Just tuned in any trades? Nope. Waiting for a closure. Waiting for this. Why I do whatever I drew at 7 a.m. is what I'm waiting for. Drew a bearish candle, followed by another bearish candle. That's what we're waiting for. This kind of should break the lows here, and it should retrace back for the outer candle to come down at 8 a.m. Should be pretty nice. I don't understand the question. The old chat or the new chat overlay? Like the old chat overlay or the new chat overlay? That's the question. There you go. 1 hour broke the lows. Nice. You ever breaking the lows too? Pretty good. I don't see the difference. Different colors. People, I don't know. Chat, we're breaking 4 lows here. So say it right now so you can't see it later. You missed the move. If it drives here, the worst thing that could happen to you is you missed the move. But you're not going to sell down for less. You're going to wait for a closure here in about 21 minutes, right? And in 21 minutes, you're going to get a position potentially. But don't get FOMO. Don't jump in because you feel like jumping in now. Just wait patiently, okay? Yeah, 22 minutes there. You know what I hate the most, chat? I don't know what it is with FX shares, but you know when like someone just shares their profits and then they say done for the day? I find it the most annoying, obnoxious thing ever, man. Because one, I know they're not done for a day. I know. I've been there before where I used to do that and I was not done for a day. I did that just to tell everyone that I was done for a day. It's like I sound like I'm better than everyone, but in reality, man, I'm not done for the day. That's the most obnoxious thing that people do in the industry. It's so annoying. Done for the day, done for done for the week. Like, bro.
We're done for the year.
Like, I used to do these things too when I first started trading. It was like, it's just so annoying. I don't know.
They'd be in the chat 10 minutes later too.
Done for the day. Validation. Exactly. Validation.
Y'all got no hobbies. I know you're done for the day.
Man. I can screenshot from this Discord group where a mentor's done for the century. Or showed up profits while explaining. Yeah. I mean, our Discord is not really like that. Our Discord, like, we try to just delete those messages of just profits, right? Because they don't really do anything for us. Yeah, I see a charts on our screen. No arrows, right? I think we train our chat well. No arrows. Actual charts of text. Actual questions, right? Ooh. Worst case thing happen here, chat, you break the lows. The 4 lows, I think, is the... Oh, yeah, there it is. The 4 lows is a break of 18.76 here. And I believe price may continue to push down here, but I'm going to wait the next 20 minutes here. If it dries for me. I could just say you missed the move, but it's a 30 pip range going down here. I'm expecting this 1 hour candle to pull back, and then the next hour candle should be able to drop down.
Be good. Take advantage of the 8 a.m. volume after a top wick.
Yeah.
Go tap those levels at 1880. Be a nice 30 pip stop.
The 30-minute entry wasn't bad. The fake out. Nice top wick too. Kind of just close below support and boom. Pop.
Yeah. Not bad.
I'm done for the day.
Nice. Let's see. Nope, you're still in the chat. Exposed.
Good stuff though. Good work, good work. I mean, technically, yeah. If you're comfortable with 2K, I mean, that's your day. Good work, man. Good stuff.
I feel like every pull is 50-50.
Yeah, I gotta end the poll. I mean, it's pretty close. People said new. Chat, I don't like mind if you don't get a closure below. Like I just don't want the 1 hour candle to close like within this level here. I want us to close below support on a 1 hour or below here off of 30, right? But I don't want us to close like in this range, in this exact box. Because if you close in this exact box, it's like you don't have much range to go down until your next support. Because there's a pretty heavy support off of 30. But if you do close, with like a potential wick fill, it looks something like this, and it'll be below support, and next hour candle should come down and fill that wick pretty nicely. So that's what we kind of want. Or if you just close completely below the range, that'd be great as well. Obviously, the higher we close, the more range you have for the next hour candle to drive, right? Yeah, it's interesting too. ISM, you have ISM here. So like, in case we missed it earlier, like yesterday when we sent like that signal during Asian, I broke down like that was gonna be the push before ISM. And then I believe London just range, and then we should get a continuation right now. And then if numbers do come out how they do come out, ISM should continue down as well at 10 a.m. That's in about 2.5 hours. So let's see where we are by then. I put the line there. I can't see support to the left. It's off 30 right here. So there's a difference between the 30-minute support and 1 hour support. They're two different levels. Where's the weed man?
The weed man.
He was here earlier. I'm not sure where Wix now went.
He's in the chat. I'll hop on as soon as we get the closure belosure.
Wix now hasn't been on time lately. They're a little busy. T-Bigs.
He took that podcast episode, took all that juice, and then left. That's crazy, chat. You saw that?
Yeah, I'm out. Thanks for everything.
He said 3K views. What?
July.
Finish my podcast though.
$15 close below, right? Chat, it's the last 15 of the hourly counter here, so technically, generally speaking, we may see a pullback. If it doesn't pull back, then it doesn't pull back, obviously, but it's the last 15 here. I'm gonna wait for the hourly closure. All right, expecting this last 15 to pull back to create that bottom wick for the hourly candle as we close up in 14 minutes. I'm excited, man. First playoff game today. Not gonna lie to you. Oh shit. It's not on camera, bro.
That's alright.
Oh, T-Bigs.
Hey, yo.
What up, man?
Hey, how we doing, bro?
Vibing.
Bro, I'm pretty sure Wix and Paul are in the Zoom chat too.
Oh yeah, they are. Yeah, they are.
Yeah, Wix been there.
Wix probably just busy.
Nah. How was your weekend though? Good.
Just chill. I think I had a very chill weekend. I didn't do much. I think I got a lot of DVS work done, kinda. Got a lot of content done and all that, but pretty chill.
Okay.
And then obviously Sunday got a nice trade. And that's it.
Bro, I missed that move. It wasn't my move though. I was so beat yesterday. I had a really long day yesterday. So at that point, I was just like watching TV or something. I was like laying in bed. So it's whatever.
The weed man has arrived.
Oh, has he really? Oh wait, that's not him. That's not the weed. That's Paul. It's funny how Paul down like, yo, is that him? Wait, that's not him. That's Paul. Funny.
I don't do no drugs.
No, Wix is below Paul.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more.
Bro, we've been in the Zoom chat for like 20 minutes.
Oh man. Yeah, but you guys ain't on camera though.
Yeah, Wix has been on camera for like 5-10 minutes.
At least 5 minutes.
Yeah.
No way.
You looked at me and said, "Where's Wix?" I don't know. He's coming.
Yeah, he
and I'm
literally
on
looked
Zoom.
at him.
This man's
Like,
screaming at
what?
the muted camera.
I'm sitting right here.
Someone said, "Is there someone below Wix?" Keep going.
Yo,
No, below
come
Wix.
up. Come up. They don't see you. Come up.
Started. Funny.
Grab a seat in the next class. Next stream over. Grab a seat.
What up, Wix?
What's going on?
Ah, he's wearing red today. Hey, you said you weren't gonna wear red ever again.
It's all right.
Ah,
We'll survive.
first day of the month too.
I'll push us through this.
He's just manifesting a big red 1 hour candle at 8 o'clock.
Ah,
That's all it is. I just, you know, red top wick, red top wick, red top wick.
red top wick, red top wick, red top wick.
Shit. Tough.
Damn, we should have guessed what color his shirt was. You're right.
Just gonna start wearing like random, like I don't like wearing shit with logos too much. I'm just gonna start wearing like random like colors that'll throw you the fuck off, like lime brown.
Strong lime brown.
Lime brown.
You know that color that the lime gets after like you've hit it after it's stood there for a little while.
Yeah. You
It
should look at a
turns a
grocery
little
store.
Hell, no.
It's gonna throw everybody off.
The organic ones usually go right back very quick.
They do, but they taste delicious as soon as you get them.
Yeah,
They're,
but,
like,
but
way
the
juicier.
GMO ones are just, always green. They never change colors.
Yeah. All that jacket is fucking crazy.
Prada though.
All right, Paul the Tiger King.
Somebody said Paul slayed a leopard.
Or that shit looks like a leopard G-string.
Okay, it is.
Yo, I came on there and Paul and Biggs were on there for a while before me.
Yeah, me and Biggs was just we were chatting to each other on the side.
Can we retrace back up here? Sheesh. It's a long 9 minutes, man.
I don't think you need it because you already broke all the lows, so I don't know if this top wick is that important.
Whoa. The alley candle closure,
Yeah. Well, the hourly candle closure, bottom wick, yeah.
Yeah.
But the top wick on this candle, I don't think it really matters much anymore. Look, we broke all the lows and we're closing below.
I want us to close like below 18.79.
I like pull up.
Let's see.
Then you'd have like a 30 wop.
Yeah. But we kind of already had that down onion. I'm surprised you didn't enter off the onion earlier.
Yeah, but look at that. Look at the top wick. There was no top wick there.
That's
So
some
I would
resistance
have
now.
expected it to come back and make a top wick for the previous candle and then enter. That's what I would have expected. Alright.
You picky? Because I don't want to lose. Yeah, that's why I'm picky. What do you mean I'm picky? You have to be picky in FX. You can't just sell down for less, right? You don't want to be a loser in FX. But you want to just take trades just to take trades. You want to make sure everything aligns to your confirmations, right?
It's a new one. You're too picky.
Too picky, man. You're too
Just
picky.
take the
Don.
trade, damn.
Take the trade,
Just
Don.
get
Like,
in.
Don, you're such
Just get in. Who cares? 50-50.
Don,
It's
you're
50-50. It can only go up or down.
Yeah, you're right. Hey, yo, bro. You need to go on a different stream, man. I don't know, but this stream, we ain't providing that over here, man. We looking for candle closures below the range, not whatever you're looking for.
Trying to be right.
This guy said. No, I'm speaking about Imran.
People need excitement. They come here for like entertainment and like all this shit. And no, this isn't entertainment and you're not part of the show. You know what I mean? This like, it's not, it's work. And you gotta come here and you gotta make sure you're right or you get fired. You know what I mean? Not, oh, let me just be part of this, part of the entertainment, part of the gang. No, you don't need to be entertainment. You don't need to entertain others in chat. You just got to be right. And in order for you to be right, you have to kind of eliminate, right, all the wrong possibilities, process of elimination. And that's why we're waiting. We're waiting here to eliminate all the wrong possible outcomes so we could be left with the right one. And if we don't get the right one, then move on. But you really, you don't have to You don't have to win. You don't have to lose. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to you have to be right. You don't have to be, I seen people posting yesterday. I gotta be, better than myself. I gotta beat myself. It's me versus me in the markets. No, not really. You don't need to have a certain quality come out or dominate. You're not there to fight yourself. You're here to come to terms with yourself and agree with yourself. The whole point is not to have a battle with yourself. The whole point is for all aspects of you to come to agreement on this specific trade. If all aspects of everything are in agreement, then you're not fighting with yourself. You're literally trying to narrow down the direction where your whole self is going to go. Instead of spreading out and being all over the place, you should concentrate all your energy from chat to negativity to to whatever you're learning on screen, to concentrate all of it into one and channel it into profits. Channel it into a fucking winning trade instead of, oh, did you do this? I gotta, give me that trade. Why aren't you taking a trade here? Wait, get rid of all the possible outcomes that just all the negative outcomes, all the things that can't happen for you to win a trade, and wait for what needs to happen. You got to be right. The whole point is not to make money. It's to be right. The whole point is not to have a positive RR. The whole point even is to be right even when you have a negative RR. It's just to be right every time you enter a trade. Because if you're right, you're going to win. The whole point is not to, oh, I made more on this trade. I mean, the whole point is just to be right. For your idea is to be right. If your idea is correct, none of the other variables matter. Not the RR, not the fucking Don taking a trade or not taking a trade. Just your idea, and it was right, so you win. Just be right. Sounds like, all right, we're going to close full here, chat. 20 pips in profit. People always come here and like, yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna be better than guy. I'm gonna win today. I'm gonna be better than myself. The fight is with me, and I got this. And it's like, you shouldn't really be battling yourself. You shouldn't be here going through major emotions. This is bringing out major emotions out of you, like wanting to cry or being so intense, or step back. You're not in the right state of mind. Major emotions should not come out during monetary decisions, during decisions where money is involved. Once you're level-headed and your entire self is in agreement with yourself of where you want to take this, where you want to go, and which direction you're going to head, then you make the decision. But if you're not in that agreement and you're fighting this internal battle of what do I do? Is this correct? Should I do this? Should I wait? Should I step back? You're not in the right mind to actually make quality decisions. Right? Market wins. Market manipulates you, it wins. Market is not able to manipulate you, you won. If you kept the level head.
Closure below in a minute and a half.
Just a little something to get us through the last 5 minutes. Otherwise, we would have had a bunch of people in trades.
No, that's good. I like when you just, we know what we're waiting for. Just like you just talk and it just kills the next hour and a half.
The next hour and a half. Sounds like, all right, I got about 90 minutes here.
All right, Rick's not to take over.
What do I do?
The wee man.
The wee man.
The wee man.
But yeah, I always say you should be better. You should grow. You should get better than yourself. But you shouldn't be battling yourself. There shouldn't be this internal battle. You should be growing, and your whole self should be in agreement which direction you're taking your growth. Very simple.
So you have a closure in about 57 seconds here. Looking at 30 hours, we're closing below. This next 30-minute count should come down pretty nicely. In terms of top wicks, I mean, I think my target is here, chat, is gonna be 1868 actually, probably. But after a top wick, I'm looking at potential top wick levels to be probably within these areas here. It'll probably be within like 1877 to 1878 levels. And at the price taps around those levels, I will have a sell stop, which I will tell you guys when. And then we'll be in trade coming down towards 1873 and then potentially even like 1868. All right, so looking like it's gonna be current count stops probably, wherever the top wick is. So it could be 15 pips, 20 pips, who knows? But the max here is probably gonna be like pretty 30 stops, I think. Anything over that would be a no for me. And then TP down here. This is hope we get a bottom wick though. We have 9 seconds left. Come pull back to like 7-6 here, my friend. GJ, go. Okay, there we go. Perfect.
I can rock with that.
Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, chat. Gonna wait for a top wick here. And then once you have a top wick, we'll be in some nice sell stops coming down towards 873, 1868. All right. So yeah.
Ooh, 15 gladiator.
Yeah, 15 broke the lows too. Oh no, it didn't. Yeah, chat, looking like I want to top wick up to like 1877 probably. No, it's gone. if we were using like previous 30, which is fine, like I would have probably had a sell stop, but like since we're using current count stops, like we need the current count stops needs to be something decent, right? I was looking towards like 1877 for price to drop down here, but it looks like price may just drive off here without us. So say bye bye to gold and say you missed the move, so you gotta say it later. If it does drive all the way through, right? You can't say, oh shit, should have done this, should have done that. Nah, man, if you want to do it, you would have done it already, right? I'm waiting for a top wick here. A nice one too. How big are 15-minute stops? It was 16. Nah, that's not bad too. Yeah, it looks like it's gone here, chat. Looking left here, you have all this clean traffic. 30 and off the 1 hour.
Nothing it could even bounce off of here. It's gonna drive out.
It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. It's driving straight down towards 1873 here. That's all right. You have closure below 1873, and then below there you have sells coming down towards 1868. So you have all that range going down too. I mean, it was what we kind of expected. We kind of drew out what we wanted at 703, 702. I guess couldn't really get entry then, unless you pull back here
and do what?
Wick fill.
Yeah, but then that's at what time? That's like
It's at 8:30.
8:30.
25 minutes, chat.
25 minutes. I got a half-hour speech somewhere in the bag. Let me find one. Oh man.
Where's the not gonna lie gang?
NGL gang, where you at? Where's everyone? I got in and got out.
You gotta wait till the TP.
Oh yeah. You guys should break even though. I'm pretty sure if Rose entered, you guys should be like risk free here. The 1 hour candle shouldn't flip bullish if it wants to drive down here. Should drive down towards 7-3 pretty nicely. Good work. Good work. Good work. Oh, there it is. Target smacked. Yeah, if I was in it, I would have left runners towards 68 here, probably. Off of the weekly. Pressure comes down to fill that wick and then potentially even break that today, maybe. If it breaks that today, then it's driving straight down towards 1868. But yeah. But sorry, we have more sells below at 1873 anyways. Chat. It's a bigger range too, right? Yeah, it breaks 7-2 here, 0.43. This alley candle, it's gonna be driving straight down towards 68 chat. That range going down, I believe, is roughly like 38 pips. That's another 38 pip range going down. Pretty nice. We might get a 15-minute entry. 15-minute entry isn't bad if you get a closure in about 10 minutes. Below 7.3. It's not bad as well. I'm considering that too. Pretty valid. I was looking at this earlier. I'm not sure who caught me looking at it. I was looking left there. I was looking at every time price closed below 7.7 here, right? Last time it did, it drove straight down. It mirrored this candle down towards 68. So I'm expecting price to basically mirror that candle as well here. Coming down towards 68. So it makes sense if this is the next 30-minute candle. Let's just see if we can hold on and wait for us to enter first before it does that. Yeah. Very nice algo day today. Anyone entered? Marcos, Biggs, Paul? What's...
No, I didn't.
Nah, I stayed out.
Look left here on the 15-minute too. If we do get a closure below 1873, we have the that weekly low is at 1872.2. Be a nice extra confirmation.
Yeah, 15 is not bad.
It's actually the previous monthly low as well, 1872.24.
So stop there. You're getting slipped 100%.
I would need yeah, exactly. I would need the 15 closure and then that top wick retapping resistance and then break the low.
I mean, chat, we drew it out. Drew, NASA's is there, right? Sometimes you can't always get the, you always can't get the entry, but the sub was definitely there 100%. So like, whoever was able to get a position there, congrats, good work. I was not able to get a position, and that's okay. I'm gonna wait for my position to come to me. I'm not gonna chase the position, right? Yeah, news at 10 a.m. here, so in about 2 hours. It's far from now anyway, so it's good. We have all this to push. New York?
New York, baby. Once a day, once or twice.
You know, if you pay attention to how we've been moving and at what time price has been moving, we get a closure on the 15. The 815 to 825 has been like volume time. Volume and a half. So if 815 we get a nice closure below our very bottom range, what is that, 1873? I would be fine taking that sell. Lots of volume. Lots of volume coming in after the weekend, right? And with GJ closed, well, pound and the young closed, we're gonna see a lot of volume in here. Also, oh, never mind. Paul, did you take US 30 today?
Yeah, I'm in a sell right now.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I was gonna say also Paul is taking profits right now, but then I'm like, never mind. Let me check if he's gonna sell.
Yeah, that's why like I'm watching it right now. I'm waiting to see if we could break. If this this hourly could flip bearish and then
yeah, because you closed below, right?
Yeah, yes. And
how did you get in when we broke the low of the current hourly of the previous hourly?
Yeah.
But it made a top wick first, no?
Yeah. And then I mean my target is, I mean ideally I'm looking to ride it to 32278, but I have my TP1 at 32691.
Oh yeah, cool. 1 hour close below. Nice.
Yeah, it closed below the most recent one, yeah.
I mean, if it flips bearish, it's gone. I mean, I don't normally take it before 9:30, but there's some volume coming in.
Volume, it's so technical. Like the technicals just really pan out here. You get a closure below range, you're gonna go to the next range or to the next support. It really tends to pay attention to technicals.
Yeah, for sure. Same thing with NASDAQ.
Yeah, I've never looked at NASDAQ. I only started looking at US 30 in the last month.
NASDAQ moves really clean too, super clean.
Yeah.
There's a top wick on gold. This is what we wanted. Yeah, look at this chat. We came back up. We broke the highs. 4 minutes for a 15 closure here. Depending on how we close, but it looks like we might close bullish here potentially. So might be a 30 closure we'll wait for. Maybe. Let's see. We have like 4 minutes left. Anything can happen within the next 4 minutes. But it's most likely looking at their 8:30 candle position. Yo, it's already 9 a.m. basically almost. Time flew by today. Hella quick. I don't know how. Oh, 4 minutes. Okay. Okay, go. Create a super top look. Then it came back down. Okay, perfect. Why couldn't it just create that before, you know? If it created that before, that would have been a lot better. Oh, 15 might close. Get ready, chat. Get ready for some potential positions. My 1872 breaks today. That's a very nice position. Or very nice push. How do you know if it isn't rejecting off support? Well, we don't know yet. We gotta wait the next 3 minutes here. If it closes respecting it, then yeah, you can say it's rejecting. But if it closes below, then high chance it's gonna drive down. Right? Because it's a closure belowsure. Which indicates that we're breaking support. Right? Man, GJ pushed down 17 pips here. Sounds like he's gonna go down 160. 160 is all the way down here. That's 300 pips. On a bank holiday today? I don't know about that, man. We just saw the 15 close below. Yeah, it would. Because the 15 hasn't closed below here yet, right? We rejected before in the past. So 15 is fine for me here. If you get a closure below 1873. I think that top wick and we're good. If you get a closure ideally like this. And the 15 creates a nice topic like that. Comes down. We'll be in some nice positions. Should be a nice push. What to do when it counts like a 3rd pip stop loss? Just go half risk. Yeah, go half risk then if it stops it too big. The price action still makes sense though, right? You can't control how big ranges are. I'm gonna get a 15 wick fill. 15 wick fill isn't bad. It's not bad as well, but for a 15 wick fill, I'm gonna need a bigger top wick than usual. Ideally, I want a closure below. That's what you kind of want here. Below 73.700. How's 1 minute, 5 minute look? Is he gonna close below? See, like that's how I use a 5. That's how I use a 1 minute, 5 minute. I look at it just for like, oh, what can the 1 minute do here for us to push down to close below in 15? But I wouldn't use a 1 minute to enter. Or that's something I wouldn't do. I usually don't do.
Ted in the house.
Hey, yeah, Uncle Ted in the chat.
Hey, 20 will be the drive. We were just talking about that.
Yeah, you did talk about that. Oh, here goes chat. 45 seconds.
Oh, here goes Paul.
1873. 36 seconds. This is a nice range going down. I'm looking to use current count stops chat. Or 15. 15 is not bad. Pierce 15 stops at 36 pips, so probably gonna use Pierce 30 potentially. Unless you don't close below here. If you don't close below now, wait for 8:30 in 15 minutes. Damn. 8:30 it is.
Hold back, huh?
Yeah. It could still drive. Don't get me wrong, right, chat? But I'd rather wait for a closure. No. If it drives, it drives for me. Oh wow, perfect opening too. Yeah.
Fill the wick.
We're gonna wait for a 30 closure in 14 minutes here. Let me just put that right here for you guys. Yeah, it's gonna fill that wick and probably retest the lows at 1873. I will say though, this chat, I will say this: if we break 1872.123 before the 30-minute candle opens up, you might see it drive down before the 8:30 candle. But if it can hold below like 1872.142 before the 30-minute candle, it most likely is gonna hover within this range here, and then potentially once the 30-minute candle closes below, it would drive down, right? So, but yeah, let's just see what happens here. Obviously, you don't want it to break this low, right? If you want to enter, you want to see us close below. But let's see. That low breaks, it's gone, because below there is completely clean traffic. You have nothing below there, right? Let's draw a line here. Go back, looking left. Was it 30 I was looking at? It was 15 at 30. Below there is clean traffic all the way down towards 1868. So that's a nice 15 topic too. If you close below, I hope no one enter on the opening of the candle yet. All right, you being some drawdown right now.
These. She got these, motherfucker, these. Rosie Perez.
These motherfucking these.
Good morning.
Coffee gang.
Which was your coffee?
Yo, honestly, I got a bone to pick with you.
Here we go.
No, fuck that.
Yeah. Not worth it. He said not worth it.
You're going to the game tonight? Yeah. I got lower both seats. Yeah, Ted, I caught a piece of it during Asian. It was I think it was from 1893, 1890, wait, it was 1895, 1896, coming down towards 1887, I think it was.
Asian trade gang.
Yeah.
Did you close full?
Close full where?
No, on your goal from last night.
Oh yeah, close full. I close full at 14. Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Yeah,
14?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Oh, you're late to the stream. Me and Marcus discussed this already.
You hit 70.
Yeah, no, but I personally closed ahead of time because it was my first trade of the month. I just wanted to have a clean, nice trade to start the month off. You missed the discussion. Yeah, me and Marcus had it already.
I got you. I had stops at 21 pips. At 20 pips, it slipped even on my TP. And went for like 24, 23. But yeah, I didn't even have a chance to move my runner. I just opened the positions at around 20 pip TP and it smacked it right away. I didn't even get a chance to move it to like 50, 70 pips.
How come you always do that?
I don't know.
Stop using TP, man.
You know what? Here's the thing. I used to put TPs at 10 pips flat, and I realized like the push would go like 13, 15, 20, and I could have just closed manually after I saw the push. Like, you know what I mean? So I stopped putting my TP at 10 pips. I just put it further down to like 20. And I did it with because I open two positions typically, two halves, and I did it with both yesterday and just smacked them. I was gonna bring down the TP literally within the next maybe minute or two, and it smacked it. I was typing something. I wasn't salty. I was like, all right, shit. It's the first of the month, Sunday, and we just smacked 20 pips.
Wow. Yeah.
You did say that it would have a bunch of volume if it broke the monthly low.
Oh yeah, there it is. It broke that low, right, chat? It broke 1872, and look, it drove straight. You would have got slipped probably, most likely. Yeah, target 1868 should be tapped in the next couple minutes here. If we can pull back, that'd be great.
Avoiding coffee today. Wings.
Double chat. Good work, good work. This is perfect. Don's new chat's ass. Yeah, I'll post the other one then.
Please stop making this out to be some great. I completely agree. Like, it's not amazing. It's expected. It's.
We get so surprised when he pushes. It's
like this is expected, and I'm surprised that after being here month after month after month, some people don't notice it. Because like you're not concentrating on learning and picking stuff up. You're concentrating on just like, you know, being entertained. Like, this shouldn't be surprising. This should be like, that's right. Boom, there it is. Like, you know, that's what's expected. Just more and more confirmations for yourself that you're looking at the right things and making the right adjustments.
Do we have day target? 269. Oh, we did. Yeah, chat. I think we tapped day target. First, the day target from broken down from this morning. I think we just tapped it. I think I said 1878, 187, or sorry, 1868, 1869 levels this morning. Weekly target is still yet to be tapped. It's roughly gonna be like 1860 levels probably. Obviously monthly targets haven't been tapped yet. Monthly targets are probably gonna get tapped like later on in the month. But yeah, we're pretty bearish. Let's see. Have you had any success with blue markets and getting slippage back? Yeah, I don't. They're the type of broker that won't pay you for slippage back, man. So if you want a broker with that pays you back for slippage, I suggest you go like TradersMate or something. But yeah, not all brokers pay you back, and blue markets definitely does not.
Don't advertise that.
Does not pay you back for sure. Because that happened to me before. I think one time it happened to me in Wix and Marcos. We all got slipped, and I was like, yo, do you guys get your money back? Like, yeah, I got your money back. Okay, they don't pay back slippage, but I think if you file a report,
we pay back for inefficient market moves. Like, yeah, I've gotten slipped 60 pips before, and I reached out to Traders Domain, like where this shit was like, it doesn't make sense.
That's what I meant.
So like, you can't, you know.
You came back for every pip.
Like,
every
I got slipped a pip and a half.
I got slipped
today
5 pips
and yesterday.
Pay back. No, that's what I meant.
No. Yeah, but like, obviously, like I've had trades that have opened, you know, that have gotten slipped 10 pips on entry, and then on my profits, like I brought in stops to break even, and then that stop got slipped by 20-30 pips. So this shit just doesn't make sense. When a trade would have won by a decent amount and it loses by a decent amount.
Yeah, Chad, I don't expect to get like paid back for like 4 or 5 pip slippage. Like, it's like if you got like a 6 pip slippage, like a 30 pip slippage, 4 pip slippage, like anything. How's that sort?
All I gotta tell you is your broker should at least be, you know, fighting for your experience. like they should be attempting to provide you with the best possible experience and retain you as a customer, as a normal business, as a normal successful business would. They would love to retain you as a customer. So the goal is to do right by you, right?
How much pips last week, bro? I think we caught last week. We caught. When did last week start? 24th to the 30th?
Monday.
Yeah, it was 120, 130, 205, 245, 200, plus 168, 368 pips last week. Oh, wow. That was basically the whole month. That was majority of the month last week. I just took that in. Yeah, fourth week picked up for sure. Fourth week of first month of quarter two. We should get a continuation of that within May. May overall should be a pretty good month, chat. I suggest if you're trading NY sessions to be here at your session every day.
Yeah, April closed the bullish above range, so May should see a little, pull back and then take off.
Yeah, like May's me very aggro. How 10 or 20 every day. He says that every day. Every day. If you've been, on on following Ted for like at least months at this point, 820. He always talks about 820 being a comics. Yeah, 820 volume.
And it's not like he's been talking about it. It's just it's been happening. He doesn't control. He doesn't say it, and then it happens. Like he's noticed it in the market that you guys should be noticing it too.
Yeah.
It's not like, oh, it's gonna move at 820, and they're like, okay, guys, everybody ready? 819, hold, 820, go.
Yeah, it's nothing to do with indicators.
Yeah, comics.
30-man GJ, it's poundy on holiday today. I wouldn't touch GJ if I were you today.
I wouldn't touch it with your account.
2 minutes. Can we get a closure? It's been good though. 4-hour candle closure and wow, look at a 4-hour candle, man. You have a 4-hour support here. If you can close below in a 4-hour in about 30 minutes here, you're driving straight down towards probably 1868 here, next 4-hour candle, and potentially even like 1860. You have all that range going down.
Word. Paul's fucking making it cloudy everywhere.
Oh my god.
The leopard making a cow. We got a cloud.
Vape god.
The vape god. Oh, might get closure in 50 seconds here, chat. Be prepared. If you get closure below 1873, it'll be great. In 45 seconds. 1873.500.
I love how the 15, the 30, and the 1 hour are all the same support, you know,
Yeah.
when that happens.
Honestly, I was looking at earlier, like, I think people who had runners from like 1879, depending on where your target was, you still would have been alive, I think. I don't think price came back far enough to hit the break-even point. And are we gonna have to wait till 8 to 9 a.m. here? Probably, right? Yeah.
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 That's not a big deal, right? You got a closure. We'll be good.
Yep.
It's good knowing that, hey, we have to wait, you know, versus not knowing and not being sure. Having a concrete plan. It's much easier to follow it than and not be impulsive.
Waiting once again. Yep. Wait. Get your position. Boom.
Yo, Biggs, do you by any chance have a chance to start on any of it?
No, I didn't really start yet. No, I just downloaded a couple fonts and.
I got you. Yeah, just throw together like 3-4 ideas, and I'll kind of adjust them and tell you which way I want to go.
All right, and I was wondering if you wanted like, do you just want like kind of the information on it?
We'll talk after. I'm just saying.
Right.
Talk after.
This is a nice 1 hour closure though. 9 a.m.
Yeah, we got a long time.
Yeah, like.
A lot of volume early on. We might see a pullback here.
You're eventually gonna see a pullback for ISM. I think ISM should continue price down.
I mean, if there's too much volume, we'll range. Like at some point, you know, there's going to be a bit of ranging, and it's going to die out before the volume comes in again, like you said, for ISM. So, and NYSE.
You're taking sells, right? You can take sells wherever you want to take sells, right? When I'm in a position, you'll see on my screen. I'm not in anything right now. I mentioned, like, after every single closure, we mentioned what we're gonna wait for, what we're looking for, right? We just never got what we wanted. So till not in any positions yet. If it drives, it drives here, except in the fact that you may see us drive down towards 6-1 before a 9 a.m. count closure in about, you know, next 27 minutes here. But if it does, it does. I'm not gonna be in positions until the 9 a.m. count probably at this point. It's gonna be the last 30 of the 4-hour candle and the last 30 of the 1 hour candle. And also if the 30 closed below here earlier, yeah, I probably would have attempted it, but it didn't close below, so there's no trades for me. And the next support now is at 1868, and the next closure is gonna be at probably 9 a.m. right? So that's what we're gonna be waiting for.
We taking sells or what?
I did say it was me. Algo week chat. Algo week. If you guys missed my analysis that I did, sent it in the free Discord. We did Don's analysis. I said like algo like 1,000 times in that analysis. This algo basically just means that you have a lot of range drive with volume this day. Oh, Big just covers us up with the camera like. Buys, no buys. I think someone took buys earlier. Someone's like, I got a stop loss blow here. I'm like, huh? You're in buys? I'm getting extreme performance right now. I'm in pain. Good, man. It's what being a trader is, you know. What you do? Enter? Go enter, right? Enter. What happens after?
More pain.
More pain. Chat. I say this every day, you know. tomorrow's another day. You got more volume tomorrow. Same shit you tomorrow, right? There's plenty of days. Like we took this year like on stream, 47 like wins, 9 losses, 9 break evens. It wouldn't be 47 wins, 9 losses if you weren't patient. It would have been 47 wins and like, or 20 wins and 20 losses, right? Or whatever. Could have been a lot worse, but patience pays, right? There's plenty of days where we miss opportunities, or miss opportunities, I'll say.
Void.
Yeah, where we just avoid positions, where we see positions potentially happening, but we can't get in somehow, some way, and we see price drop down with our analysis. It's okay. Things like that will happen. That's part of trading, though. You gotta accept that if you want to be a trader. If you can't accept that, you shouldn't be trading. Why am I not focused here?
You've been out of focus for a little while.
I know.
Cool.
How many dumb losses we got on 9? 0 dumb losses, because those losses aren't like impulse or like any positions that I wouldn't take, right? They're all positions that I would take on a normal day basis. It's just they happen to not play out, right? It's like it's 80% win rate strategy. There's a 20% chance that these trades may not play out, right? And that's what kind of happened. I mean, our percentage shows for itself. 83%, 84%. It's around there, right? There's 0 dumb losses, but there were probably 4 losses off of one reason, and that one reason was what we realized after quite some time, and it was range 1 breakout going against the trend on the small time frame. So it's something we're adding to our arsenal for this year and next year. But yeah. Yo, is bias support start resistance? No, I'm not trying to be a hero, right? I'm not trying to come to first place. I'm not trying to predict where we're going to reverse. That's what I used to do, though, for sure. Back in the good old days, I used to be a swing trader like that, and that's what we'll be doing. But not anymore. No, I don't really try to catch a reversal. We just follow the trend until it breaks, right? Yeah, be prepared to lose 20 trades out of 100. Yeah, it will happen. What are you waiting for gold now? Close below this range here. So it's below here. So waiting for this kind of close in about, I explained it to you guys, chat. 9 a.m. here. We close below, right? 9, 10. We should get a nice position coming down like this.
Position.
If you guys missed the morning breakdown, go back and watch it. We broke down this whole entire sell today. We broke it down from like 6:30. Or before that, we broke it down from 6:30 p.m. yesterday, right? So you have a lot of traffic, and I personally don't believe the move's done yet at all. Look at the weekly. The day you broke these lows here, look left. You have all this clean traffic now towards the 1859. If that breaks, then 1853 today. And the weekly has all this clean traffic coming down towards the 1858. So you have a lot of range here to drive down. Teaches reversals? I don't know. I ain't got social media, man. I don't know who that is. I ain't got social media, man.
Link in the bio.
Yeah. Tell you, waiting for some people say it's too late, as if we're going to reverse there. If it reverses, it reverses, but why try to buy now? Just buy above like 1882. Why gotta buy 1867? Wait for a direction, right? There's no direction. It's pure bearish right now. Oh man, we might drive before 9 a.m. here towards 1861. Yeah, this is all clean traffic, man. Look at the daily, like daily, weekly, all clean traffic. Yeah, I guess my analysis over here was right about the this over here earlier. This can over here, right? This candle closing below here, and blowing that blowout zone, it drove down towards here. So basically, what price is doing right now is just mirroring those levels right now, basically. Should come down towards 6-1 per nicely. Close drops and stalls, basically. Yo, Vin, you should be in profit. You're good. You know, we're waiting 6-6. I'm waiting for a closure below. I wouldn't be too worried about like us like tapping major support levels until you tap like 1859, 1859, like 1850, like those levels are where like you're gonna be tapping into a major level. But like look left here, like this is all clean traffic to like 1861. It should be tapped by the end of the next 4-hour candle. I think the first hour candle was 4-hour candle. I mean, we discussed it too, man. FOREX. We discussed that if you break 1872, go back. I said if you break below 1872, you're gonna drop down towards 1868, right? It just happened to be 822. Can 1858 be tapped? Most likely, probably, but next support is 1861. I'll be worried about that first. You know what I mean? Should I just chill out here, you know? You have like 20 minutes left. I'm just chilling. Do whatever you want, right? Why did we not push at 8:30? Because I said it too. I said like if you break below 1872 before 8:30, it's gonna drive down. But if it respects 1872 before 8:30, then it's probably gonna hover here, right? But it broke. So since it broke, it drove down. That's why they moved at 8:30 and moved at 8:20 instead, with the 8:20 comics volume as well, right? MM doesn't work. MM, look. I like there's no like this is the max it goes down by. I can crop it, but even if I do crop it, it's gonna show another gap below. You'll see it. And doesn't matter, right? You need crop from the top? Nah, look. I can't. It's the max it goes down. Chat, I'm not. I tried all the things already. It doesn't work. "60 minutes of pain." She's a runner. She's a track. Sorry, hopefully today we'll get something, chat. I'm pretty sure we'll get something. Won't be for another 15 minutes, though, I'll tell you that. Yo, Wix9. Me, Marcos, Tyler, Biggs, and Tyler are going to like record some DVS content in August 5th, Vancouver. You down?
Yeah, August 5th. That's good. Hold on.
Yeah.
A long time away.
Well, yeah, yeah, plan it, but bring like a big B&B probably and just use
Do I
that.
need a passport? I don't think I need a passport for that.
Yeah, you do. You crossing the country. What do you mean?
Yeah, but I don't know. I'm American.
Fuck you saying? Fucking Americans think they have no rules.
I'm American.
You're like, nah, that passport, I don't need it.
Isn't it about like if I can drive across the border, I don't need it? Something like that?
I'm pretty sure we need
Yeah, I
it.
think you said
You need a passport, man. Like,
FBI.
So there's like,
I don't need one, but you do.
I'm pretty sure I've driven through with a.
No,
with a,
bro.
Yeah.
You do some illegal stuff that you shouldn't stay on stream.
Hold on, I'm gonna look this up.
You can't cross the border without a passport, man. You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't.
yeah, I gotta get mine renewed. I just have like the passport card. You can get like the book for like international travel, like overseas and stuff.
If you have a U.S. driver's license, you can drive in Canada to cross the border. Most people will also need a passport. Though people living in states bordering Canada can also get a Western Hemisphere travel passport initiative.
Yo, have you ever taken an impulse entry?
Of course.
That,
much time.
That's how driving across the road. You know, it's like a 50-50. Like, you never know what's gonna happen, bro.
Oh shit.
Recent changes in U.S. law now require you to present when entering or U.S.
But you have a passport, right?
So I'm telling you, the law used to be different. I've driven with a driver license. I think it was like if you drive through the border with a U.S. driver license, you're allowed to cross as long as you're driving.
Okay.
No, I think something like that. Pretty sure that was the law.
Oh yeah, Uncle Ted
Driving-
just said
yeah,
driving
driving
was
with-
like that. Yeah.
I'm telling you, you could walk across the border too. There you go.
Wait, when though? 20 years ago, right?
Yeah, with just a license, like 10, 15 years ago. I've done it. I'm telling you, I've done it in like 05, 06, 07.
But it's more strict now, right? Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
Definitely
Maybe
more-
03.
definitely
I
more
don't know.
strict now.
I think it was. Yo, regardless, Vancouver is dope. I would go. I'll be down.
Wix
Yeah,
about
that trip's gonna be lit.
Canada real quick.
Ted's there. Ted's in Vancouver there.
Are you trying to do like a meetup, or are you trying to do like a
No, we're making content for DVS and that's it.
strictly content?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, hell yeah.
We might do a little mean group. I'm not sure where how our audience is in Vancouver, though.
Vancouver?
Yeah, like, I don't know how big it is in Vancouver, but
Just tell him Ed's coming through. You know,
who?
once he tell him Ed's coming through.
All right, no more spoilers. Gotta keep stuff under wraps, man.
No more spoilers.
No spoilers, sorry, chap. Hammer. I'm bringing the hammer down.
Vancouver. Ted, you been to the Raptors game or what? Going game 6? We got demolished.
Chill.
Yeah, I looked at trends and wrote down information on a spreadsheet, an Excel sheet. So now someone asked Ted, how do you find information? How do you keep track of information? chat, man. Yo, you think we collect data for no reason too? Like this is, and the crazy part is like, I mean, this is fixed to our strategy, but you can just label this anything you want. Like you have your own Excel sheet, right? And label whatever you want to label up as, sample size whatever you want to sample up. And at the end of every year, review it and see what we can improve on, right? Some guys just lazy, man. Some guys just want to hear shit. Some guys aren't gonna do anything. Some guys just want to hear stuff, you know? Like, you guys want to hear what other people do, but you guys aren't gonna actually do anything. Fuck, I don't need to do that stuff. It's too much work. You know? Yeah, or sample sizing over time as you tune into the same session every day, you know, small little things. Like every day over the last 3 months, I learned about the COMEX at 820, right? And over this whole over the rest of the year, I'm gonna sample size that, and next year I might add to my playbook. I might add to my my training style, right? So every year you're looking to improve on things that you reviewed over the years. Whatever it is that helps you trade. We're just slowly pushing down. It's just slowly creeping down here. It broke below here, off the 1 hour, or sorry, what the 4 hour candle was. It broke below the 4 hour candle, so now it has all this clean traffic. I wouldn't be surprised if over the next 8 minutes here, it just drives down towards like 6-1 and doesn't pull back or anything, just drives straight down. I want it to pull back, obviously, but if it drives, then it just drives here. Most likely it will drive, right? This is all clean traffic, right? Because you broke all these wicks here. So from here, it's all clean. A lot of ID. Yeah. Worst case, we finish off a day of 1 trade. It was still a good day. 75 pips, chat. What's wrong with that? Maybe might have not been during the NY session. But yeah, there it is.
Whole lot of ID.
8 minutes left. Guess what? You have more clean traffic below 1861 down towards 1851, and that's the day of support. Because look, if you look at the daily time for now, right, chat? You had this right here, this low right here. I'm gonna mark it up. You broke below his low. Why does it keep doing this? It broke below his low over here. Guess what? Now we have all this clean traffic coming down towards where? Same thing. Remember that breakdown I just did on the 4 hour candle about how it was on top 1961, right? But if it were to break below the 4 hour low, it did, right? So same thing off the daily time frame. Daily time frame broke here. Look left, it now has clean traffic towards 1852, 1853. So I wouldn't be surprised, but at the end of the day, we drive down towards those levels pretty nicely. Same concept off the 4 hour on the daily. Boom. So we're in closer with no bottom. We can just close bearish. I'm gonna buy because I know goes no retrace. Hey, good luck, man.
It was funny.
Yo, Wixline. How's your day been?
Great.
Doing
Fucking
good?
incredible. Amazing.
What are you
Red Bull
drinking?
Gave me wings.
Red Bull give you wings?
Yeah.
Yo, you know what else give you wings?
Hmm. This?
Yeah, so what does that mean now? So you got 2 wings. Got double wings.
Double wings. This is for liftoff. This is to land. This is for landing. Landing gears out. Oh man.
4 hour.
We're almost there, chat. Just a few more minutes. What you smoke on? Honestly, I'm tell you. This is called. It's literally called rainbow butts.
Yo.
I don't fucking know. It's unicorn urine. What the fuck do you care?
Yeah.
It's good stuff. I'm sure you guys are smoking on good stuff too.
Water.
I would not put it past anyone on this stream, all 1,250 of you over traders, that you're all smoking good stuff. Oh man. Will we get a closure, belosure? No one knows her. Since that shit existed, yo.
Ooh, we might close below support here. Chat, the 4 kind of close below here. I mean, overall, it should drop down towards 5.8 here. But, I mean, it doesn't really matter where we close here. Is that we close below 5.8 or we close within these ranges? It's fine. But the 1 hour, I think there's a 1 hour support if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 1 hour support. If we close below a 1 hour candle, this next hour candle's gonna drop down pretty nicely towards like 5.2 before PMI. Or ISM, sorry, not PMI, ISM. Target smacked.
As long as it's white ash. 100%, yeah. White ash is clean weed. Time to smash the desk. Got less than a minute. Let's see what happens. Lock it in. It's
Yeah,
a 4-hour closure.
Yeah, Chad Marcos isn't trying to just like have like these FX gurus coming into his shit, you know. He's trying to have like, he's trying to be more open-ended on things. He's trying to have he's not trying to box himself in, right? He's trying to have actual like other entrepreneurs, like whatever, businessmen, doctors, whatever, come into the podcast. He's not just trying to have like FX traders. Like I said, you know, it's, you can go on any of FX podcasts out there, but
he Elon Musk is on the list of invites.
Yeah.
We're waiting on a reply right now.
There's a lot of FX podcasts out there. Don't want to box myself in. And if you haven't noticed, a lot of times if I do invite a trader, we talk about more than just trading, right? I would say 90% of traders, they don't want to just talk about trading all day. People have hobbies and stories to tell and insights and opinions and perspectives. Not everything's about trading, you know?
Yeah.
That's what we got the stream for. I'm on stream 4 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Outside of this, try to forget about this.
Unless they get Putin.
Hey, real quick, I think the 1 hour close below here. Yeah, I got closer below here, chat. So stocks are pretty clean. It's just it's a new forward candle. I'm expecting this candle to probably create a top wick here. Looking left here, you're probably looking at like 1865, 1864s, but after you get the top wick, we'll play price to sell stop on the breakout lows, and then take sales coming down towards like 1851, and that's like a 80 pip range going down. All right, so wait for the top wick, and then you should be good to drive. Yeah, like when I was on this podcast, I didn't talk about trading, and we barely did, right? We talked about what?
Talk about everything else.
Yeah.
Talk about Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. All right. It's very trading. Like I don't want to talk about trading all day. Trading is for my stream, man. That's it. After my stream, I'm not FX trader, man. I don't go home and be like, yo, like this 30-minute closure below the range is pretty nice today. Yo, how you feel? You know, when I call Marcos on a weekend, I'm not like, yo, Marco, you see that 30-minute closure? It's not. There's no FX at all.
Hold up, he calls you on the weekends.
Marco calls me every day.
They don't talk every day.
I don't get a weekend phone call.
That's my side.
He's your jump off. That's your jump off.
Yeah. Says top like 20 pips already.
Yeah.
Oof.
I don't know. It's just I was expecting something deeper. Not gonna lie to you. Ain't gonna lie to you.
I don't know about it's 10 pips, but the stops would be 20.
I was expecting like 1864, something like that. And current count stops, right? Because you can't use pure count stops, right?
You were given surprise phone call. Yeah, I called like 18 people. I don't know. Called a whole bunch of people for no reason.
I don't know how days like this. I think last time this happened, we caught zero trades too. Next day, we caught 100 something pips.
Well, now you have all this clean range.
For tomorrow, exactly.
Exactly, just cleared out a whole bunch of range.
Cleared out a bunch of traffic, bunch of space on the charts.
Last time that happened to us was April. I think it was. What's this? Hold on, wait. These losses are wrong, I think.
That's a win. 120.
There it is. Where's the day we caught? I think it was this day. I think it was that trade. Because I think the day prior, there was like a 100 pip range going up or down, whatever. And then we caught nothing that day. Oh yeah, we broke the lows. Might just drive all the way through. Marcos, you win this?
Nah.
Oh.
Thought about it, man. I'd rather wait.
More waiting. If it drives, it drives, guys. I mean, I can't take it no more and get in, right? Just because I'm not in doesn't mean you guys can't get in. You guys can get in whenever you guys want to get in, right? That's it. Whatever you guys want. If it's the first time to a stream, that's probably like, yo, this guy never answered. Just waits all day. Trust me, we do answer a lot. It just happened to be like today we haven't had any, positions that we would have entered.
I think the ideal move here is a nice big, create a bigger topic if we can. If we can create a steeper topic and then get the move out around 9:30.
9:15. I can't wait too much longer too, chat.
What?
Yeah, Reza's raising his hand.
Cool.
I don't think with the onion, man. I think with so much volume here for us to drive, I think it's just if anything close and then just next guy's gonna drive. Like I don't think we'll get another range like this for until like 10 a.m. 11, 10:30 ish. I think we'll just drive here, just Alicando. Unless you do flip here, but I don't know. It's looking like this is gonna drive straight down towards 1851 probably. Yo, what's up? What up? What up? What up?
Yeah, what's good? I just had a question. You've been catching some fire Asian trades. Obviously, the trading's the same. But I was wondering if you could take a couple minutes to go over like what exactly is your thought process and the timing and all that when you're trading Asian session.
Yeah, so Asian, I would trade usually opening, so probably around like 7:30 until 9:30 p.m. But when I'm trading Asian, I'm obviously not like staring at charts like for a full 2 hours as if I was trading New York. I would probably just recheck the charts every 30-minute candle or every 50-minute candle, see how we close. If I see potential volume, I'll look around for the session. If I don't see potential volume, I'll just kind of close the charts. But potential volume is basically off of just reading candles and how we're forming in the ranges or breaking out the ranges, etc. But yeah, it's the same way we trade NY session in terms of price action. It's just the times are a bit different, obviously. So
yeah, is it a direct like 12-hour correlation? So like you know how like
yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Because you have
So
the opening at 8, right? So what's pre-opening? An hour and a half before, maybe, right?
Okay, so the volume kicks in at like same thing 6:37.
Yeah.
Or you said 7:30 you check, right?
Yeah. Basically, yeah. Like yesterday, I was checking the charts since like I think I set my analysis at 6:30, and I saw the weighted 7 a.m. candle close, 7 p.m. candle close. I was like, okay, well 7 p.m. we're probably not gonna push here. It probably will be like an 8 a.m. push, and then I wait for the 8 a.m. candle and gotta move. 8 a.m.
And does the volume just continue on to London session, or is there like a little dead zone in the middle?
Usually I'll see price push to like 8, 9, and then by 10 it'll usually die off. Usually, I'm talking about usually. Yeah. And then you probably range to like 1, 2, and then 2 a.m. we move again. Obviously that's not what happened last night, but for the most part that's usually what does happen. Yeah.
Yeah, I was watching it during Asian as well. I was just like, I haven't practiced Asian, so I just kind of sat out and watched it fly.
Yeah,
Okay,
Asian's pretty clean yesterday.
Yeah. Asian's been clean for like last week too, no? It's been pretty nice.
Picked up drink court too.
All right. Well, thank you.
No worries. I just told you. Ravender RV. I just answered that question. The best time for Asian. I just gave you the answer.
He typed it while you were saying it.
He's like,
he wasn't even listening.
Like, fuck this guy speaking nonsense. Answer my question.
Yeah, you getting a hotel room or you getting a big ass content mansion?
A big ass Airbnb.
Airbnb.
It's a tax write-off.
Yeah, it'll be a whole studio, yo.
Perfect.
Meet fire.
We'll have. I mean, I guess we're all staying in the same Airbnb, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be like a 4 or 5 bedroom, whatever it is. I don't know.
I want a bigger pool than Kanye.
Yeah, we can get something nice. With the pool, really.
We don't get a bigger pool than Kanye, I'm not in.
Let's get a little 1 bedroom.
I'm fine with that. You just get a pool and a cabana. We get 5 cabanas and a pool.
They don't want you to have a bigger pool than Kanye.
Ooh, I found a nice one.
Already? Jeez, got hunting. Where is it?
Don't share it because if it's good,
I know Vancouver pretty well. I've been there once.
I'll send it in court.
Send it in general. Send it in
I'll pull
general.
it up on
Community.
stream. Fuck it. Yeah, I'll put it.
Pull it up on stream.
No, I'm kidding. Actually, now that I think about it, you motherfuckers, we already gave out the date. You know you ass motherfuckers.
They're already looking, trying to book houses.
Psychopaths.
He's not getting this one.
I need Marcus' ledger. I need his ledger.
Yeah, I'm not bringing my ledger.
Yeah. Don't bring any of that shit.
Laptop and camera.
Keep
Pretty
that.
much all I need.
I'm not even bringing my MT5.
$1,000 in the
Bringing a hoodie. That's about it.
Sounds perfect.
And a bathing suit.
I'm bringing Paul's
Yeah,
hoodie,
fuck that.
man.
Yo.
Hey, yo, topic formed or what, chat?
Yeah.
Hey, patience.
The thing is, with Paul, you can't walk around like that with like 5 people. You can't all wear that shit. Just a bunch of tigers walking.
Here we go. Topic.
Can't be around nobody with it.
Roberto Carlos.
Top. Need this. Bigger topic though, like 1864.
That big one.
Actually, I think you said that.
Yeah, 6'4". Now I'm
1860.
money. Now I'm 6'4". Yeah, the 845 cannot treat the same. Yeah, I treat the same during Asian too. Yep, all that the same. Oh, every rule applies the same. Y'all go to the FX Summit? No, sir.
Hell no.
They couldn't meet my accommodation requirements.
No, I thought you were going to Wix 9. I thought you were going to across the street and you're gonna be holding a big sign. Hey, yo. You think so they don't have any IMO people talking, right?
I don't know.
It's like strictly just
I'm gonna stand across the street with a big picket sign. It says, "Say no to indicators. Say no to indicators.
Krusty Krab is unfair.
Price action. Price action."
how big is that wick?
You want it in pips?
9.
34 or stops, yeah. 34. I want to see 6'4", man. 6'4", Berkeley lows. You will be gone. Funny how people said the day count's done. I think earlier someone said the day count's done at like 1890, at their 1870, 1860, 1868. People keep saying it's done, it's done. And probably trying to throw a break. If it's done, it's done. If it's done, it's done. But you'll see it being done, right? No need to guess when it's done. According to my calculations, pressure shows that you should drive down still. According to my calculations. There's days where I've seen we move 400 pips. An hour later, we move an extra 800 pips. Seen it happen already, right? Plenty of times. You have ISM news too, so hi, that will be done too. ISM news in about 4 or 5 minutes. This is good now, chat. I'm gonna have a self stop place there. 1859.338. So we got a top wick being formed, obviously. So now we are going to have a self stop. I got you. I'll add it in a bit, or add it right now, actually. Yeah, chat. Gonna be having a self stop place right around 1859.338. All right. TP is 1851. 0.995. Stop loss is the current kind of high. So wherever the high is, right now it's gonna be roughly like a 4 pip stop, a 35 pip stop, 1836.130. But obviously, if it exceeds that, then we'll adjust it, right? But I believe this is a half risk trade since stops are a bit wider. We're kind of forced to do that. We're kind of forced to have a bigger stop, right? Yeah, but let's just go 6-4 as expected. 6-4, 6-5ish levels. This is a 4-hour trade slash 1-hour trade. And if it exceeds only I'll delete sell stops if it exceeds like 18, I don't know. Let's see, if maybe like 1866, 1865. If it exceeds that, we'll delete sell stops. But for now, this is a sell stop.
Which plays this from the playbook? Closure below range, break of the current candle lows.
Yeah, it's just a closure below range.
I have to make a top wick.
Yeah. So closure below the range. Closure below. Second trade of the day. Same trade style roughly. Right, this is this. I saw that this. Stops have been increased to 45 or 43 pips. So the bigger the top is, obviously the bigger our stops will be. If it gets too big, we'll delete sell stops, right?
Yeah, but we want the wick to come up a little higher even than this.
Yeah, top 6-4 basically. I'll be fine with this. My stop was 18.59 on the dot. 18.59 on the dot. Good stuff, Winston. I'm glad. Yeah, it's fine because the 4 hour and 1 hour have a top wick. It's good. That's based off the 4 hour time frame, right? Ooh, if this is the high, then our stops are 47 pips here for a 70 pip TP. If that is the high, it'll be breaking up 15 lows, I think. 15 close bullish here, so if you break that low, we're good. Did the 15 close below resistance or no? 15 closed. I think it did close below resistance right here, right? Below 1863.270. Yeah, it did close right at resistance. So there's like a 15-minute wick special, I guess things call it. So you break that low, it's a 15-minute start play. Yeah.
Okay.
Another losing trade. I mean, if it's another losing trade, it'll be the 10th of the year.
Yeah, that would be another one. And then when we get a win, it's also another one.
The 47th one, 48th one. It could be the 48th win, or it could be a 10th loss. Probability shows it'll be our 48th win.
90% chance.
Yeah. I think we'll make a new high though. I think we're gonna make a new high. This 15 could still flip here. We gotta break the lows, chat. Right? So no one should be in. Once you break the lows, obviously you'll be activated, but the trade is not valid until you actually break the lows. Do you count out break even as a win? No. Break even is break even. Look at the thing. It says break even 9. Right? Win's a win, break even's a break even, loss is a loss. So it's all divided. 5-minute onion. Yeah, if it goes to 1871, I'm just gonna delete the sell stops, obviously, right? Because then stops would be like 100 something pips, right? No sir ski. $18.59, my broker. So my stop was at $18.59, chat. The 5-minute close bearish here, so that's a sign that we may be popping down to retest the lows. My stop was at $18.59. I'm not sure if that is on your broker, but it's not 18.59.19. That's on Oanda. My broker is 18.59.
Signals don't get this.
They did. They will. They do. Wix, I got this. Wix.
I'm just making sure.
I got this. But yeah, everything. You know that. Chat, if the 5-minute breaks the highs, there's a very high chance we're going to drive further up and create a steeper wick. We'll probably pop up towards like 6.7, 6.6, and then we'll delete sell stops. But if you respect the high and you start to reject here and break the lows, it's a high chance this candle should come down and activate our sell stops. So, comes down to this 5.
You're giving it like 3 pips play below.
I think it looks a little different on my broker compared to Wanda. Because on my broker, it looks like it's right at the low. Fine, yeah, like 3 pips, yeah, basically. Basically. Yeah. We can get a 30-minute wick special. That'd be cool.
How late are you staying here today?
Me?
Yeah.
10:30. Why? I mean, I don't want to be here at 10:30, but if we get, I mean, if you have to wait for candles to close, yeah, 10:30, 11ish, probably before 11. Why? What's the word?
Hey, what if we end up coming up?
For onion.
For something like this, and then come back in range.
This is on the 4-hour chart, so that would be at Asian.
Ugly ass wick. I don't know how to delete that.
Looks like a great session trade.
But I would take the fake out here on going up and then coming back down. He's got it on a 4-hour chart, but we get it on the hourly.
Yep, you're gonna come up to like 6.8 here, man.
I would love to close above 6.8 on one candle, and on the very next 30-minute, close right below it. Yay!
Hey, the good thing is that I hope no one took the sells earlier though, because you've been stopped up, I'm pretty sure, right? For those who got, yeah, if you didn't wait for a steeper top wick, you would probably got clapped. You'd be very sad right now, man. Patience. Wicks matter.
Yes, of course he does. Absolutely.
Oh, right. If this 15 close bearish, start making close bearish, that'll be good. We'll probably get active at 9:35. If it does close doji or like below 61.938, 939, it'll be really good. and not.
Telling you the fake out's a better play.
Yeah. You said on the 15?
Me, I said on a few candles, probably 2 more 30-minute candles, so probably like a 10:30 trade.
Yeah.
So if at 10 the next 30 can close above 1868, and the next candle can come back and close below it at 10:30, 1 hour from now, we can kind of visualize where it's going to drop to, as we have established a low that we're going to retest, and on the higher time frame we'd fill this wick. Don't color, my friend, like that. Yeah, I think that's the 9:30 to 10 a.m. candle is right there that you're drawing.
And this would
And
be
that's
the
10:30 candle, yeah.
Yeah, and then you come to retest lows.
And then you can see where we're gonna go, right?
Yeah, like this.
Yep.
Or
No.
better off like this.
No, like that.
And then like this. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but this is the exact same thing true this morning at 7 a.m., right? And it happened. It happened.
They were sleeping.
The same cycle over and over again. It's the same cycle repeated in the FX markets every single day on every time frame. Support, resistance, form, continuation. Support, resistance, reverse. Support, resistance, continuation, right? Same shit every day. Nah, the trade won't last 1 a.m., 1 p.m. I'm pretty sure it won't. It will last a good like 15, 30 minutes with the volume if it breaks the lows again. Chat, I'm gonna get to asking what GJ today. It's literally a bank holiday for pound and yen. It's like I gave a breakdown already, but like there's no clear, like I told you guys, there's no clear direction today in price on GJ until tomorrow probably. Today's day candle we'll give you direction for tomorrow.
Even Mr. Pound Yen's not here.
Yeah, Mr. Pound Yen from chat.
And this is his session, you know what I mean? Because it's a holiday.
Man, there's people on the weekends tagging me into GJ. I'm like, man, are the markets open? How are you in a trade? I swear to God, they're sending positions of like GJ sell stocks. I'm like, bruh. Is someone gonna tell him?
Don't tell him.
No one tell him. Hey, yo, bruh. Hey, Michael's doji here. It's good, but still, yeah, chat. It's like, man. on a weekend, GJ. It wasn't even crypto. If it was crypto, I was just like, okay, whatever. But GJ, damn, bruh.
I would have been like mods. Get him, mods.
He's shaking it.
Need mods for your DMs.
Yeah, DMs go crazy, man. Man, the most annoying DM chat. The most annoying DM will have to be the people who ask, "How do I get access to the Discord?" Like they're in the Discord, and they show me a screenshot of like the mandatory verification. Like, yo, how do I get in? I can't see any channels. It says mandatory verification. That's the word. That's man.
It's like 150 people on stream right now going, "Is he talking about me? Why is he talking about me?"
Yeah, it's good I'm talking about you. How are you a trader?
Yes, you.
Like, you go on a Discord server, you see the...
People are stupid. People aren't stupid. They're just lazy. They want shortcuts to everything. Everything on a platter. Spoon fed. So they'd rather ask a question than Google shit when everything's readily available. All right, we're about to get this closure.
But yeah, it's like, where is it? it says this, right, chat? It says like mandatory verification. It says click the check mark to ask the server. It says please read. It's the only channel you see when you join the server too. It says please read. And it's like, man, people don't pay attention to anything. Hey, you
Activated where?
Whoa! Yo, this guy's trading on like a 10 pip spread, bro.
He's on Vanguard. He's on JP Morgan Chase.
Hey, bro.
If he was on Chase, he was activated like 62.
He called the stockbroker to take that one.
Hey, yo. Naughty.
Look, the hourly.
A lot of people had it on the flip.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Fair enough.
Cowboys.
Yeah, if you get activated here, this thing should drive you down towards like, what's your stop? 5917. Should take you down towards like 1858. Yeah, should come down towards 651 overall. So that's a TP, right? Should see a lot of volume to chat, so be prepared.
The slippage is gonna be painful.
Yeah.
Trust, breaking the monthly low.
She said trust.
Trust me. The slippage god. It's gonna pop down for 40 pips.
Oh,
Yeah,
9 pips
I moved my
away.
TP.
Can we get activated? Find out in the next episode of Train with Don. Train with Devious.
Find out this summer.
5 check. Is that an Autobot? Oh no, that's a command. Someone's like, oh man, that's crazy.
Nightbot is throwing out vibe checks.
5 checks. They just know.
Respect Nightbot, man.
What?
What's in overtime? There we go. Pushing. Lock in.
It's the pre-entry stretch right here.
Execute here so you don't get slipped.
No, not one of these times. I'm gonna wait for this shit to break. I get slipped.
What's your number? I got 1859.3.
.33.
Ooh, I'm lower than you.
You are lower than me.
Can't change it now. It's too close.
You're right. You're wrong.
I think you have a chance right now. It's 10 pips out. Oh, just kidding.
No.
Oh.
Anybody get
Activated.
Get slipped?
3 pip slippage. I told you. That's
Oh,
even,
not yet. 5-9 didn't get activated yet. 5-9's oh, there it is. All right, there it is. Chat in a position here. I'm going to sell off of the forward candle using current candle stops. Stops are roughly 55 pips. TP's down here for around 71 pips. All right, so this is the trade. Let's see what it do. I was on the wrong time when I did that. I gotta reclip that, whatever. But yeah, chat. This trade is based off the 4 and off the 1 hour candle, right? So it went half risk as stops were pretty massive. It was a 50 pip stop, so it went half risk. And yeah.
Did you
trade.
not see 10 there?
No, I got later entry. I got my stops was at like 5-9 on the dot.
Without slippage, it would have been 13, but with slippage, I got like 7 or 8.
Yeah, like I had a pretty
rather 10.
I had it like 3 pips below like below 5 what was it 59.300.
So mine was at 59.33 and activated at 5940.
These cam girls, man. I looked at the chat and got so confused.
What's your stop here?
4 hour high.
Summon DD.
8 pips. I didn't get slipped 8 pips. I slipped like 3. Just enough to not hit, or just enough to not be able to close at 10. Just because I had a thing. Who knows? Maybe it'll do us some justice here. We'll see.
I'm trying to. I was. The thing happened too. I was trying to see left where their mid support was. I think it was. Let me do it real quick. First it moves. It's gonna move in second. Yeah. 5'8", 160. Yeah, 5'8", 18, 5'7". That's the next minor support. Yo, what's your exact entry, Wix and Marcos?
0-6.
4-0.
You got 4-0?
Yeah, it slipped the other way.
What? You closed half?
I closed half at 10.
I was about to say you easily got like almost 15.
I
got 10 flat, but I didn't move my stop yet, so I'm in a little bit of drawdown on second position. But I don't mind.
Man, got .4. I got .06.
The 15 created top wick. Now the 5's created top wick. I want to look at the 5 hour, you guys.
Yeah, it's free flipping.
I'm looking at the monthly.
I'm looking at the monthly. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, chat, stop loss is here because if this thing were to break, it's gonna drive up towards like 1868, 1870, 1872, right? So that's why our stop loss is like there, and not anything above there.
I mean, the hourly made a top wick and broke the previous hourly, the previous 4 hour, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, unless that wasn't the top wick, but it's this, the result should be the same. You know, we're just counting on the fact that gold tends to drive during volume times. It's not 9:30 NYC open. We broke previous hourly, previous 4 hour lows, so it tends to drive. You know, but you're trusting the higher time frame.
Gold sells. It was the breakout off of current higher low, or no, previous higher low. No, was it current higher low? It was current higher low, yeah. A 4 hour half risk, right, chat? So this is a half risk trade, not because it's a lower probability trade, more so because the stops were big. If stops were a bit smaller, like if stops were like 20 pips, 25 pips, I would have went full risk. But since it was 50 pips, right, I went half risk. So.
Anybody in US30?
Did it come back down?
Yeah, everybody hit target.
Oh, nice. You sat through all that drawdown, or you closed out and then re-entered?
Nah, I mean, I was only half risk because it was pre 9:30.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I mean, I just let it run.
Oh wow. Where was your stop?
Previous 1 hour.
Oh, before the bullish close, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause oh wow. Yeah, it never got there. It got almost.
Yeah, I was like, what, a couple.
I was looking. I just don't know what the values there, and I was looking. I was like, this looks solid, but I'm like, this is too much of a drawdown.
Yeah. I was half risk, so I mean, I was able to just let it run.
But it looked solid all morning. I was looking at all morning.
Chat, I think at like 18.57 is when I'm gonna move my stops to break even, close half my positions. So I think roughly like 20 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips in profit, around there. I think looking left, there's a third mid support there. That's kind of why I had my level marked off of. So at that level, it's a very logical level, and at that point, we're gonna be managing risk. Just saying that now before it drives down and moves too quick for you guys to manage, right? Letting you guys know that's what we're gonna do. So that's why my line's here. Yeah. 100. Back in profits.
There we go. 5. Can we get 5? There we go.
Ooh, yeah.
And there it is, chat. Moving
Pushing.
stops to break even. Gonna close half my positions here and let the rest rock towards TP.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Good
W.
job, guys. Good job, everyone.
W.
High fives,
Happy
high
that,
fives, slow
Happy
fives,
that
everybody.
both people won, both slippage and non-slippage team alike. No one got fucked over. We're all good. Shout out chat.
Just as expected,
Patience. Pay.
right? Like nothing different. No, just let's smack a 50 pip runner.
Yeah, let's hit a runner here. Two runners in 12 hours. That'd be weird.
It's not
That'd be
weird. It's volume
No,
time. You remember last?
it's no probability. It's like it's weird. That's what I'm saying.
Like
The
that's what I was
probability.
saying. That's what I was saying in February. Hey, March, April, May. This is the time. June. This is the time to supercharge your accounts because this is the high volume times where runners tend to go. Like if you have positions, this is where they should be running.
Yeah, in the probabilities game, if we hit around 3 runners a month and we hit 2 in day 1, that'd be very interesting.
I told Marcus that yesterday. I'm like, yup, that's the first run of the month. We got 2 more to
Yeah,
go.
we're like, shit. Statistically, fuck.
So I closed 10 right on my initial drop. Then we came back into drawdown, and I opened another half as we rebroke the lows.
Nice, man.
So I just closed 10 twice, and I got a half running.
Nice, man. I got I got 1850.8.
I got 18. Hold on.
So I'm looking left on the daily, right? And you see that you have the most recent support.
I have 1852 flat. Just said it.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
I have basically the average, just 3 daily supports around 1853 to 1848, and I just took the average at 1850. Looking left on November 17th. Which is what I'm looking at. Might close further if it starts to reject like 1853, 1852.
Yeah, I'm not touching this until because I've closed 2 halves already, basically a full position. Let's just let it run.
We're gonna break even.
Yeah.
Definitely, 100%. Statistically speaking,
we got to survive this 15, and we got to start the next 15. That's a lot to ask for here. A lot.
No top wick.
But hey, guess what?
On the 5.
Guess what, Wix? First trade of the month continues. Not a loss.
Yeah, and we don't lose the first trade.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, good start to the month. Good start to the week, to the day, everything.
I concur.
Yeah.
It was a good start to the year. And remember we said the way you started is the way you're going to spend
to the
it.
B, to the B, to the M.
And we've been spending it the way we started it. Taking dubs.
I closed half at 15 pips.
Yo.
Yeah, 15. I got 15 too.
Can you call on Reza? His hand hurts.
What?
He's raising his hand.
Where? Oh, what up, Reza?
Yo, no, my bad. That was from before.
Oh,
But you really don't see Zoom, huh?
Nah, you can just stay unmuted. It's fine. Nah, like I do, but it's just like, yo, you gotta see what I'm looking at, bro. Like I'm looking at like a chart. I'm looking at my phone. I'm looking at the live stream chat. I'm looking at my OBS.
I figured a way around it. I just message Marcos every time.
Yeah, like I do see it sometimes, but like not when I'm locked in like this. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All good. Shout out Wix though. Yeah. But yeah, that was my bad.
What song? What song that play? What?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
I already played it. I want to see runners though. I really want to see us tap like 5-2. Like the thing is, we have a high chance to tap 5-2, but the question is, are we gonna survive before we tap 5-2? That's the real question.
The question is, will you move your stops to B, or will you leave them at the top of the wick?
I'm moving my stops to break even. I had a good day so far. Biggs, what's going on?
That's the Wix 9 special is the current candle. I'm all set with that.
Yeah.
Don't be an asshole, right? Take your profit.
Don't be an asshole and take a loss when you're 25 pips up.
Exact 25, 23. Like re-break the lows.
Yeah, we gotta re-break. I would like
hold on, we broke the monthly? No, hold on.
Yeah, we've been breaking the monthly lows all day.
No, weekly, daily, monthly, everything.
We broke the previous monthly 150 pips ago.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we could get another 150 out of this.
Nah, man, it already drove 400 pips.
Yo, if we can survive the break even before ISM, or ISM at 10 a.m. That'd be great. You have news folder.
Shit.
Yeah, we got here comes the 15 top.
Oh, well, I'm not looking to 15. Please make a nip.
Look.
Please make a nip.
a
Looks
nip.
ugly, man. Looks like it's gonna pull all the way back through.
Break the lows. Can break. Look at the 30 from a couple of candles ago at 8:30 today. That hit no top wicket drove 100 and something pips at 8:30.
It's gonna hit, man.
I know. Yeah, it's gonna flip now.
So
negative. Just
look at the 5
1
minute.
hour. No, fuck the 5 minute. Look at the 1 hour.
Look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute brings you pain. Like, you know it's a hit break even. you know it's a hit break. Oh yeah, you're right. 5 minutes over. Yeah, look at the positives.
Just look at the monthly. It looks super bearish. We're chilling.
I'm just trying to tell you guys there's no hope in FX, you know. Oh, it might break the lows.
Look at the 1 hour and don't let it manipulate you, and that's it.
Love to just be around like the 1855, 1853 area at 10 a.m.
Yeah, I'm gonna get water.
We could play with the news for fun. I'll move my stops in that case. 10 pips in profit. Little roller coaster ride. Gotta break these lows here on or else we're gonna come back up next to top quick.
Shall not speak such blasphemy. Here. You will break the lows. Look at the 1 hour.
Now look at the 1 minute. Oh, you're right. Never mind.
Yeah.
The 1 minute says we're bullish. I don't know.
Might have just grabbed orders to come back up.
Right.
Just pay attention to the higher time frame, or don't pay attention at all. Let it rock. That's it. We won. We're winners. This is just, you know, I don't know. This is already house money, and we're good.
Someone said I can't lie. I think I'm done for the month.
Yo, did you catch that Asian trade last night, Marcos?
Of course.
Good shit. Good shit.
I wasn't playing FIFA. No FIFA on Sundays.
No FIFA on Sundays, bro.
Yeah. Arsenal
Yeah,
played
I'm
us. No FIFA. Had the real shit. What's up, Don Vo?
Yo, imagine how streaming I was looking like this every day. I was like nervous as shit. Like shaking like this. Bro, imagine like being a viewer and seeing like your mentor, or not your mentor, like the streamer just shake while in a trade. Like, wouldn't you be scared too, bro? Like, if your mentor is scared, then you should be scared too.
Yeah, I'd be bugging.
John, on a scale of 10, how calm do I stay?
Bro, I've never seen you get any kind of emotional.
I'd be like, oh shit, it moved. I wouldn't be like, oh my god, we're gonna hit stop loss. Please.
Nah. Bro, that's what I was saying too. Like, the best part of the course for me is the psychology part. It's really just helped me a lot.
I feel that I went straight to the psychology part as well.
Yeah, yeah. Like for me, that's really what I needed the most.
You learn a lot of the technicals just watching the stream for a couple months.
Yeah, exactly. I agree.
Yeah, I just realized we wrote the lows here. Oh man, I didn't realize.
Yeah, it's pushing.
Great tap TP though.
Let's see. It looks like we might survive though.
Oh yeah, I think we are, because we broke all these lows here,
Yeah.
and now you have clean traffic towards like 5.4 here and 5.2 potentially. Might close full at 5-4. Let's see. How's the day look?
Oh, let's go.
Oh, my thing froze. Oh. Daily. Yeah, I might put my TP at like 3.700 probably. Did you just tap 5-4? Oh wow, I just tapped the target I mentioned. Yeah. Yeah, chat. Huh. Yeah, I just tapped it, just tipped it. My screen lagged. Come down to 5-5. Yeah, I was looking at target to the left. I'm like, oh, it should tap like. I was looking at the FOREX account. I'm like, oh yeah, it should come down to like this support here. And next thing you know, it just drives down, taps the support. I'm like, oh shit, that was where we're supposed to close full at. That's all right.
To the B, to the M, to the M, to the B.
What's not muted? What's up? Close full at 5-4. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I was gonna close 5-4. I was gonna close full, but I couldn't in time. I was like, ah, shit.
Closed 75. I closed an additional half at 30ish, 30 something pips, and I'm gonna play the last 25% with the news. And
yeah, I think I'm closing another 25% here because I just missed that initial closure. So I don't want to take the whole runner away. So I might close like another 20%. Locking in, I guess, 30. And the rest rock. Good trades there. What's that? You struggling?
Yo, you hear me?
Yeah, why? What's up?
No, my screen lagged. Everything started lagging just now, and I just closed full.
Nice. Yeah, my show's lagging too. Chat, you can match however you want to match risk. You can close half, close full, do whatever you gotta do. Everyone
it was close enough to TP that.
Pardon? Your thing's still lagging. Yeah, but chat, you can close, like, you can do whatever you want to do in terms of managing risk. Like the way we manage this is obviously all different. Like Marcos likes to manage risk differently, Wix manages risk differently. I do it differently, right? So we all do things a little differently here. But you guys can do whatever you guys want to do, right? I close basically 70% basically at like 5-6, and then I got the rest running towards TP. I would have closed full if that push down was a little slower, but I couldn't close full in time. But yeah, we should retrace a bit, and then eventually, I should get it if you survive the pullback.
Yeah, you might get even more if you survive the pullback.
If it didn't push down, if it didn't spike down yet, I wouldn't have closed 25%. But since it spiked down, I missed the initial closure that I wanted to close that. I couldn't close in time. I'm kind of just, I'd rather just secure another purchase here before I hit break even completely. This doesn't make sense, or it would be stupid if I just let it run now.
Hola, hermano.
Hola, hola. Yeah, looks like we gotta wait till 10 or 10:30.
I think we're good. See how this news plays out. I think this news, regardless, is gonna either take us to BE or TP. So I got TP at 1850.
1850. Hold on.
I'm on the daily.
Yeah.
Time. Yeah.
I had it 1852, but I closed at 854.
Yeah, 5-2 should get tabbed.
Pull back.
I mean, since I closed partial, I might as well just move it down towards 5-2 again.
Yeah, I got 1850.7 on the daily. looking on the weekly, it's just like so clean. You don't even have like a recent support on the weekly till 1834. So I just want to see what the news does, you know, see if we survive. I think we're out anyway. I think I'm out now, actually. Let's see. Yeah, chalk that. I'm out. I had my stops 10 pips in profit.
I'm about to be out.
W's.
5 now is my entry. So if it hits 5 now, I'm out. Oh, there it is. I'm out. But yeah, chat. There it is. There is the trade. So not bad. Pretty good trade. Pretty decent trade. Good way to start the month off. That's my second trade of the day. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good day for the most part. There's that. Update this. 30. Or I can say like, yeah, 30. You can say like 20, 27 if you guys want Beals be like that. I know someone's gonna say, oh, but it wasn't. So yeah, yeah.
I swear it ran more than 30.
Oh, chat. Yo, we 1,000 pips on the stream this year. All right. So for those that say, but you close half. All right, divide it in half. What do you have? 500 for the year. 500 free pips for the year, all on stream. You know, trades given, taken live. 500 pips for the year. 84% win rate. Not bad. In the signal channel over here, gotta update that. 5-2 2010-2. Gold sells. 15. Dang close partials there. And boom. Not bad. 83.33. 1.5 in the single channels here.
Another day, another win.
Yep. On to the next day. Yeah, do S print journals, S print trades.
So much.
Should we wait for ISM? ISM 1 hour wick fill. How's the 1 hour look? Look at the 1 hour candle. You have a support down here off the 1 hour time frame. I believe if the 1 hour candle closes below that, below us 57.920, the next alley candle should come down the top like 52, 51 pretty nicely. It's not bad. Not bad. 2.5 minutes here.
Was it worth the wait, y'all? Or we just waited the whole morning? Oh, missed one drive down, missed another drive down, missed another range, and sitting comfortably, right? And well, I'm out here, but you're sitting comfortably and runners.
Patience. Same shit we do for the last 2 years. Every day, same shit. Nothing has changed over the last 2 years on the live stream, right? Nothing has changed. You can say whatever, everybody can say, Damba, you do this, Damba, you do that, Damba, you do this, right? But live streams don't lie. Live streams don't lie. And percentages don't lie, right? Win rate doesn't lie. Record doesn't lie, right? Unless you fake your record, of course, but you don't fake your record. You know? I hit break even. Yeah, I hit break even. I hit break even at 5.9. My entry's at 5.9, so I hit. It tapped.
Really? Got knocked out?
Yeah, I got knocked out.
To the B, to the B, to the B, to the B, to the B.
Then lie when lie. No, it's more so of demo lie, brokers lies, but live streams don't lie. A live stream does not lie, chat. Tell you that.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna believe your lying eyes? Gonna watch what happens and not believe it? Just watch this. Call this out. Manage it.
No, our stop losses aren't bigger than our TPs. We just manage risk. Move stops to break even. That's it. Just manage risk. Chat, I don't know if I'm gonna stay here till 10. I mean, till ISM here. I might stay to see how it reacts, but for the most part, I think I'm gonna call it. Yeah, like I'm not gonna wait here till 11:30, 10:30. What do you guys think I am? Over trading? Come on.
Wordle.
Yeah, we do. I'm gonna watch the news first, real quick. But block chat just in case, though. Block chat just in case.
Fuckers.
Yeah.
I know it's gonna happen.
Little shits.
3, 2.
It's tapping 1850. 80 pips.
Yep. Boom.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh wow. Boom.
Nice
Nah,
opening.
It closed at support though. I think it closes right at my 30-minute support, 1 hour support. I think it was.
Did it?
Yeah. No, it closed below 30-minute support. Interesting.
It's top wick.
Oh wow.
Numbers must have come out like.
Oh
next
yeah, they closed below. High numbers come out. They're expected good numbers, right?
Bad numbers.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's chalked. It's gonna hover here for a bit. Volume's gonna die down there.
Yeah, not great. Like very bad.
Yeah. Oh, chat. Wordo and call it a day, man. What's our win streak right now, by the way? Real quick.
Insane.
Oh wait, took a loss last trade. I forgot.
Are you talking about the trading win streak?
Yeah.
It was 1. Well, 2 if you count signals.
3 in the signals, I guess.
3. Yeah, 3.
Whatever.
It's always great to start a new streak because you're gonna win another one. The streak.
I see the trade works today.
Ooh, a couple yellows.
All right, what's next?
I got one. Snort. Yeah.
What?
Relax, weed man.
Damn. New York has.
Hey
yo. They called me
short. Oh no.
Sorry.
So the T has to be the second.
She's a runner. She's a track.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
All right. Oh, that's a word for today. Yo, no one in chat even had time to guess what it was.
I know they did. I love that shit. I fucking love this shit.
I fucking love that shit.
Love that shit.
Yo, chat, you just lost. 900. You got one v900.
Marcos always versus the chat. Why you don't like Chad? That's not your guy.
Chad, I have beef with Chad.
You always versus Chad.
I got beef with Chad.
Bro, I don't know what you on, but brother, you need to chill. You know, it's only a Monday today. You know, relax a little bit.
I'm outside, Chad.
Cash me outside, Chad.
Gotta touch some grass, you know.
Yo.
Touch a little bit of grass. Enjoy the day today, you know, chat. So playoff hockey. Not sure you guys care, but
Season 5.
More like game 5.
Celtics in 5, baby.
Well, what else we can do now? I'm bored. That's it, right? Day's done.
We're gonna fill the wick. Fill the wick.
Oh no, I'm done trading. I took some good trades today. We good. Well, chat.
Trade. Don't let this suck you in. If you're winning, if you took a win, don't let this suck you in and take your money back away from you.
Guys, have a good day. Hopefully you guys had an amazing day today. It was an amazing session, a long way session, a lot of IDs, but we made it through. Caught, you know, nice 15-30 at the end there. But yeah, that's it, chat. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern as per usual. Peace out, peace and love. Don't return all leverage, and have a great day. Peace out.
Hey, stay fam.
Thanks for hosting, Don.
Got you,
Thank
man.
you, Don.
Always.
You gonna hit him with?
It's a feature.
We're gonna see a fake out.
All right, y'all boys.